Hey, Dill, how are you doing today? Welcome. How do you do? How have you been doing? Vibes-wise, everything seems to be going just about well setting up. I am currently setting up my everything, honestly. I think the difficult part here has been me trying to make sure that I can do something similar to like a multi-stream in Vibes while making sure I don't break any TOS for either YouTube or Twitch. So this is where we're at right now. Hope you're doing well. I'm doing super well. I hope you're doing better, Dill. Hell yes. Hey Volt, hello! BDG, how are you doing today? What you been up to? Cemetery. Hard to ignore. We're sick through the core. Our world's been buried. Where love is the law. Utopia, there's a place I wanna take you. Utopia, there's a place I wanna take you. Utopia. Alright. This might be difficult to set up, but you know, it's fine. We'll figure this out. I'm working on like new stuff for literally everything. So let it be known that my stream is absolutely chaotic and cringe for a while I make sure to set up everything here. Which, let me tell you, is going to be quite difficult to make sure everything is exactly as needed. I'm pretty sure if I just change properties of this and I make this it's taking a bit, you know? Hi, Morale. Hello. Howdy. How's it going today, Lance? All right, give me a second. We are going to quickly figure this part out here. I am setting up a whole bunch of stuff right now. So this is definitely more of a test stream, as I said in the Discord. But vibes-wise, it shouldn't be too hard to work with. Stop, dust the bars down. Stick it up. All right. And then we're getting there. We're getting there. Get up, shake it up. We're working at this. Give me a moment. I am a professional at doing CSS. Okay. I just need extremely randomly active chat for no reason for a second while I set this up. My gosh. Okay, that's not it. That's margin 0. Okay. And if I want this to be here, I can put this here and put that there. Okay, nope. We'll figure this out later. That's fine. Not too big a deal. But yeah, we'll figure this out a bit later. That's not too worried. For now, though, I'm just going to change the width manually to be, I don't know, 800. Oh, whoops. Okay. And that should work there. And if I change this to be 800, there we go. That should work. And if I go to this screen, these are both 800. Beautiful. And things are overflowing. That's exactly it. We got it. Okay. Beautiful. Paw huffing Lance. That's crazy. It's actually insane, perhaps, even. Okay, so that's looking good. That's looking good. Here we go. Franco, welcome, welcome. Howdy, howdy. How are you doing today? Excellent. Okay, what am I missing? That's good. Chat's looking good. Okay. Let us test this one right here. All right, let's test this now. There is a new redeem, which I will pop right now. Can people type some messages in chat, please? Just anything you want, you know. Just keep saying words, you know. Woo, hello, Wild Wolf Vampires. It's your first time chatting. Howdy, I'm Volpe, and we're here having a chill old time today. Staying wholesome with an S to risk. Thank you so much for coming by. How are you doing today? Okay, so that definitely needs to be white. And this needs to be 0.3 pixel. That needs to be 0.3 pixel. And keep saying words. Just type your messages. Say the things you need to say. Don't need to say like the individual words. Say long messages. All of that stuff. There we go. Okay, so I need to make the text darker, which I can easily do. But yeah, okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. Dogs nya are better than nya cats. Okay, good, excellent. Like putting big fluffy paws on silly little paws. Shut up! Oh my gosh, you're actually insane. So here we are. I like putting nya big fluffy paws on silly little foxes. Yeah, that's so perfect. I'm really happy about this. I'm really happy. Nah, that hits. That hits pretty well. And then that should be working from this angle right here. My network issues, or I don't have any network issues. I don't have any graphical issues. We are good. Yeah, so I just need to make the text more visible against a game background. I think simply making the text white with a black background or black with a white background is sufficient. So we are going to just make this that. And I guess I just need the text to be bigger. Surely that's all I need to do, right? And I can go over here. And I just need to invert those colors. And then this one as well. Perfect. Move this here. Right there. And make this black. And then we make this one black. And there we go. Excellent. Hello, Vampire. Glad you could pop by. I really, really appreciate it. I hope you're having a good day today. Okay. And that should be good. I think that makes sense mostly. I mean, mainly I probably just need to make sure that my strokes are a bit thicker. But yeah, this should be fine. This should be okay. I just made some changes to the CSS, which made things like a little bit iffy and stuff, but this is probably okay. That's good. This didn't manually change back, but that's fine. Is it Vulpe, or Vulp, like a Gulpone? It's Vulpe, hard E right there. All right, awesome. Okay, I am going to hopefully get this sorted, but I think we're all pretty good there. I'll figure out the text font sizes later, so don't mind me if it's a little small, hard to see and such. That should be good. Yeah, those E's are really hard to see. Hardy though. Bites your numbers? Absolutely. Russ, how are you doing today, by the way? Welcome, welcome. What you been up to? Okay. I think that's all good and easy to see. So I should be good to go back to it. I feel it's close with uh Gulpone. Gulpin? Oh yeah. It's not the first time someone said it's hard to see. Oh my gosh. Hey Lance, the important thing here isn't whether it's hard to see or not, okay? Whether it can perform the task at hand appropriately, all right? Yeah, I think that's looking pretty good. Now, if I bring up the old chat box and such, real quick, you can see how it has the white text and a black border. It's nice and Comic Sans-ish. It's pretty well bordered. I need to change whatever font type that is. So yeah, let's turn that off and put this back on. And there we go. Douche ball before I eat. Oh my gosh, Boaz, stay safe and have an amazing night. Thank you for showing them out, Gecko. I really appreciate it. And hello, Ellie. Howdy, howdy. How's it going today? What you been up to? Oh my gosh, I love Ellie. I love Boaz. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry. Yeah. Getting shout out. Yeah, no, absolutely, Boaz. I really, really appreciate you. And I need Boaz to be a woo. You know what I mean? I love Volpe. I love Boaz. Right, fantastic. Wait, I go down and around. Got it. We're good. But oh my gosh, Ellie, I hope you're enjoying your coffee. Ba-da-dum, ba-ba-ba-da-bum. Like single prism's not going to be enough for a lot of this zone, but it should be fine. It'll be okay. Coffee. Hey guys, who let the dog tour in here? How are you doing today, dog? What? What? I'm doing the things, and the things are being done. Me passing on Marvy because he doesn't catch me flirting on him? Wait, Marvy? Tired but surviving? Surviving? Oh my goodness. That's an insane, what's that, like a portmanteau or something? That is legendary. I love that. Lost in the open, nothing can take the pain away. It was the clip. Dill, or not Dill, sorry, Bois. I'm gonna be like 90 million% honest with you right here. I missed that. Oh gosh. I need to drop a Woofy chat. Oh no. Send the stones that you used to throw have Build me an empire, Sidonia. I'm so sorry, what? I need to see that. I need to pay attention for clips now. Because when I'm in VR chat, oh, it's so easy. The clips are right in front of me. When I'm playing a game on desktop or something, I'm looking over here at the chat, right? I'm looking here at the game. And the clips are happening over here in like... Insert very far location here. Go Eepy Weepy, good luck on being a wizard. Oh my goodness. I'm the best wizard, Blah, you'll ever see. So I'm gonna do so well. But Blah, you are the best dumb dog I've ever seen. Or something. Wolf? I don't know. Serving dumb dog, I don't know. But Blah, you have a good luck losing even more intelligence or something. I'm the dumbest dog. Literally. It's you. My goodness. Oh my gosh. What? By the way, how did your Pride pause go? I guess Pride's over. Before you go. Sorry. How did your Pride pause go? That was a really, really amazing idea. You did so well. I'm so proud of you. I have a B. Don't try to be a hero. It's fun. Let's go. Oh my goodness. The Pride pops are cute. Are cute, seemingly. Present tense. Let's go. Oh. You can throw me to the wolves. Tomorrow I will come back, leader of the whole pack. Feed me black and blue. Every wound will shape me. Every scar will build my throne. So, vibes here. Let me explain the lore of this world so everyone understands the background of what's been going on. So, way back in the day, all right, people in this world called Dragonspire summoned something called the... Or no, this was just like the sleeping place of the Fire Titan, okay? It's like a dragon. It's a big dragon, okay? And at a certain point, this big dragon was woken up, and there's like a barrier around the entirety of Dragonspire. So if I can zoom out here, this city of Dragonspire with the Titan all the way up here, there's a giant orb barrier around here that trapped everyone inside when the dragon woke up. So all of the people here are dead, okay? A lot of the Draconians are still physical and take up physical space. They're still... What's the word for non-ethereal? What's the word? That's whatever. I could eat a fresh loaf of bread. Yes, Lance, you have to eat a fresh loaf of bread. It had to end, but it was fun. No worries, blah. It happens. I mean, Pride is only for like a certain amount of time, I guess. Yeah. Corporeal, that's it. Thank you, Lance. You're such a hero. You're a linguistic master. So yeah. All of these corporeal beings are the ones that could survive the Dragon Titan. But in trying to protect the rest of the world, they shut down the portals to the main central area. And Malisaire opened up the portal, returning back to the main area, okay? So we have the portal to the outer area, the outer edge here, which is the Athenium, which takes up the lower level of the city. And right now we're trying to figure out the way into the middle level by accessing the city itself there and opening the portal there. So the Athenium right now is we are currently trying to figure out where the person is that has the stone to open the portal to the Necropolis. Then from the Necropolis, we try and find our way into Dragonspire Academy, which requires us to specifically become a student at the Academy. And then once we're a student at the Academy, we need to progress through our studies in-game to reach the Necropolis. Get ourselves a Drake, so when we are able to train our Drake, we can then fly up to the Great Spire and up to the Crown of Fire to stop Malisaire in their multi-day ritual to reawaken the Dragon Titan and resurrect their wife, okay? I hope this makes sense. Now if you listen to me talk, interesting. Okay. So let me just turn off that channel redeem here. I need to find Uwuify so I can turn that off for now. There we go. And that should be good. Is that dragon to size? Yeah, approximately, honestly. And you can see these buildings down here. I guess it's artistic liberty, but yeah, note that the dragon's probably about the half the size of Dragonspire, and its wing length, the gap, I can't, spans the entire world. So yeah. But Fee, what you been up to? We're doing some Wizard 101. Look at me. I love my Wizard 101. Zora, good morning. How are you?
How did you get here? You're no member of the Dragon Titan's army, are you? You must have come for the Tower Key.
The Tower Key, yes. Oh, yes, that's me.
I don't have it on me, but I know where it is. Unfortunately, the way there is too dangerous. Do me a favor, and I'll help you out.
Go defeat some monsters, then return here. I'll tell you where the Tower Key must be. Perfect.
Tell you where the Tower Key might be.
Gap. Yeah, the dragon gap. Don't let the bards see the dragon. You think the bards... They probably would seduce it, wouldn't they? That's fair. We just need to tell the bards not to seduce the dragon. That's all we have to do. That's the simple truth of it. They'll listen. They have to. Let's go, big... On God. It's kind of like Macro Dragon, honestly, if you think about it. Ba da 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 da. All bards are brats, love. Yeah, but you know, if you create consistent and strict guidelines, they'll probably fall in line. You'd have to assume at least. Fee. That's looking like the transvestite vibe, honestly. I'm transsexual, sorry. I'm sorry. I'm thinking about yesterday and it's actually bad. In other words, you got the anti-horny stick. I will bonk them, okay? They need to know that. Just got to work, stopped to get a bacon and egg croissant and energy drink before work. I'm good. Yo, pop off, Solric. Wait, that's a storm enemy. Why is it using ice as its natural attack? That's what we have on the oh my gosh. I actually hate you so much. Or something. I saw Wizard 1 ads back in the day, but I never played. Really? Oh gosh. I mean, Wizard 101's just always been such a vibe to the point where I can always get back to it. I always can get back to playing it. Because it just feels so enjoyable to play. The obnoxious croissant pronunciation. Wait. Wait, what are they saying? Do they say croissant? Is that what they say? Croissant? That is so weird. You say that, yeah? It's croissant. What? It's croissant. Like, I don't know. The T's silent. I... You have to believe me. You've been playing on your X360? Recently finished Max Payne? Nice! Yo, Bad Dragon, let's go. Alright, so I've defeated 2 of the soldiers, and that was an effort. But I think this should be good. Foyer. Is there a better way to say it? Like, it's a foyer. Hope you're. I am saying it properly. I'm saying the word. Am I not saying the word? Yeah, foyer. Gecko. I say the ant per like aunt and croissant. Bro, or do you say ant? Wait, is it aunt or ant? What do you say? Do you say aunt or ant? Please, I need to know. Is it aunt or ant? But it's aunt. That's an aunt, right? That's aunt. That right there is aunt, right? Because the AU makes an aw sound. It's neither aunt or aunt. Wait, what? What is it? How am I supposed to pronounce aunt? Like on? Like what? Yeah. I can't. You guys are trolling me. I'm not even here, okay? This is fine. This is fine. This is okay. This is chilly. Sylvie, you had it right there. Just trying to fuck with you. I Thank you. I'm just a dumb fox. I don't really know language, okay? I thank you very much for, treating me properly and making sure I understand what I'm supposed to be saying.
Thank you for your help. You've made this area a safe. You find the tower key in the desk drawer.
Oh gosh, where is the stone rose here? I think it's down in this section right here. It's either there or in one of these towers here. It is a stone rose here, right? So close and from so far. You and I talk all the night long. Wait. This is the Tower Archives. Okay, yeah, there's one here. Okay, good. Excellent. This is all pronounced croissant and foyer correctly. I checked to see if they're from Canada. High fives. Let's go! Yes, Frost, honestly. It's proper enunciation. Like, that's just how it is. Like, that's just what you say. You say the thing correctly, and that's how it is. Like, is there a problem? Quebec. Quebec. Bro, okay. How is someone else supposed to say Quebec? Is it like Quebec? Dude, that's so weird. Like, people who say that. La ville de Québec, le Provence? Provence de Québec, yeah. Sunrise is not here. Even some Canadians say Quebec. Dude, that's so ick. I can't handle that. It's not down here, okay. How's the Wizard 101 journey been going, Pulpy? It's been going really well. I'm enjoying it. I'm kind of just exploring, experiencing most of the game and everything in a way that I haven't experienced for a while. And I'm really, really happy about that. Like, it's in the country, say it right. True. Although I definitely can't say Iqaluit correctly because like I just can't. That doesn't work. My voice does not do that proper. Okay. I think I remember where this stone rose is. It should be in here. in one of these. It might be at the end. Understand I say Quebec wrong because I'm filthy non-French. Listen, it's fine. It's just too. It's literally too. Oh gosh, I'm going blank on every literary term right now. 2 syllables, Quebec. Those 3. Quebec, yeah. Syllables, onomatopoeia. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Onomatopoeia, of course. Of course it is that. Yes. Député, si tu veux. I don't know. I just exist, to be fair. I'm simply a causal body in this universe. Your favorite villain is Onomatopoeia? That's so onomatopoeia coded of you. Oh, I get it. I get why Lance likes the word onomatopoeia or like hates the word onomatopoeia because it has the word P in it. Oh, that's so true. That's so base. I get it. Because it reminds them of their inner demon. Yes, that's precisely it. Where is the stone rose? I thought it was in one of these towers. Is it in the last tower? Maybe it's in the last one. Crap, these guys are coming this way. Ba-bum, ba-bum. On inner demon for long. Oh no. Hey, don't worry. It's just my tense. I was about to say something too. I guess I can't even go down on my own terms. Oh god, actually, my terms are the best terms, so don't worry about it. Okay, you can trust me to have extremely good value opinions. Great value, even Walmart. Great value. But dude, who says foyer incorrectly? Like, what are you saying? Foyer? What's a foyer? Costco better? No, Costco is fantastic. I buy all of the Kirkland goods that I can, okay? Costco, legendary place. I love it. I think the Stonewars is behind the spiral portal. How are you, Volpe? I am doing super well. Wow, Wolf. How are you doing? Also, again, thank you very much for the follow. I really appreciate it. I've been to Costco in years. Dude, Costco is the only reason why my expenses can still be affordable. Despite the membership, I still save more from having a membership and going to Costco for my food than going to any other store. What's really annoying is I do have to, what's it called, renew my membership this month coming up. Like this month right here. And I'm not sure I'm gonna have the money for it, but I gotta make sure I do because that's great. It's called Boya. Boya here. Oh, that's kind of like Boston-y, isn't it? Great value piss. It's made with food dye and corn syrup. I literally cannot, bro. I literally cannot. All right, where's Petrov? Petrov is here. I'll get this quest here while I'm at it. For driving the least amount, my local grocery store is a 5-minute walk away. No, that's kind of real. I've been doing a lot of bike riding to different places and everything. And I might be doing one later to meet up with Jacob at our mall. And that's probably going to be 10-15 minute cycle out. That's not too bad, honestly. But when I'm driving to Costco, it takes about 5 minutes from here, so it's not that bad. It's pretty simple. Big lots, now they're empty lots. What's the big lots? What is big lots? Don't worry, Gecko. They just got geckoed, so I just didn't point it out aggressively this time. But yeah, so you know, they got geckoed. It was a store? Oh, really? Closest Walmart's about 15-minute drive? Oh my gosh. My closest Walmart is at that mall I'm going to, so it's pretty much the same place. Also, Wild Wolf just got geckoed for their first time. Let's go! It's been dead a while, but not as long as the giant Sears building nearby. Dude, Sears. Sears has been gone for ages. And your closest Walmart is a 50-minute drive. I guess Lance lives out in, like, the Midwest, so it's reasonable. It's more reasonable for them to be far out from a place with a Walmart than anyone else. What the? Hello, Foxworth? What the? Oh my goodness. Hi. Foxworth, how are you doing today? Welcome, welcome. What you been up to, dummy? You're a lover, you should know. Lonely moments just get lonelier the longer you're in love than if you were alone. Live in Hicktown, USA? Damn, that's crazy. My goodness. Wait a second. Is that Fee right there? I've actually forgotten which character is yours, Fee, so I really hope that's you. Heart to heart and eyes to eyes, is this taboo? Baby, we built this house on memories. Take my picture. No, Isaac is Slade. And Logan is Fee? Whoa, 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 whoa. Review from time to time, more than I thought I would. You were just too kind, and I was too young to know. That's all that really matters. I was a fool. Baby, we built this house on memories. Take my picture now. Shake it till you see it. And when your fantasies become your legacy. But when is Waterworks grind? As soon as I reach level 60, we are grinding Waterworks immediately. And also, on top of that, we're going to be doing the glitch to make sure that the last boss spawns over and over and over and over again, okay? I'm going to get a group for that. It's going to be perfect. It's going to be fantastic, even. It's going to be amazing. Couldn't possibly fail. Lots of us lovers. Hello, Duganite. How are you doing today? Welcome, welcome. Okay, I'm just going to do one more check just to make sure I'm not missing out on the Stone Rose. You... Baby, we built this house on memory. Take my picture now. Shake it till you see it. Is this like the zone where like the zone? Oh no, it's here. Okay. Bro, I went here immediately. If I went to the other side, that makes sense. Oops. My death, or I could go to my life and get the gear because I didn't get at her. Oh yeah, no, absolutely. Yo, pop on your life, pop on your death. Either way, it's absolutely legendary. If you want some progress of your own, definitely hit your life. Promise me a place in the house of memories. Whoa, 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 whoa. I need to get some more life, health. There we go. Having a fox mount's pretty cool. Yes, a fox mount that's a fox on a fox. I love fox on fox action. Oh. Hey, Foxworth, you want to participate? It also has 2 piercing, okay? Think about me being able to pierce. Yeah, don't worry, Gecko. Phoenix, 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 hello, how are you? Like, Foxes, there's a good YouTube channel? Oh? Sad news about it? Oh, what happened? It's fucking big. Hell yes! Let's go, Foxworth. Is only half day at work and off tomorrow? Let's go! Oh my god, Phoenix, that's actually legendary. Wait, Nyx is the end of Phoenix. It's Nyx the Phoenix. Nyx to the Nyx. Whoa, sorry, okay. Oh wow. Oh, cause tomorrow is July the 4th for the United States? Right? Surely? Da, 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 da. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. That makes significantly more sense than what I was going about. Is she explosions this side tomorrow? Wait, which one went off stream? I see. What? I'm live? I'm live? Wait, am I guys, can you give me a confirmation that I'm live on twitch.tv/VaultB? I don't care about the fireworks. I didn't hear any fireworks on Tuesday, which is a bit disappointing. What the hell? Yeah, Slade, what? Nah, okay, Califox. Yeah, I'm not streaming. Okay, that makes sense. Sorry. That's my bad for, like, expecting I was streaming. You know how weird it'll be seeing everyone celebrating freedom right now? What freedom? Oh, yeah, that yeah. Yeah, that freedom. Slade, what made you assume I wasn't streaming? I'm just a gamer, you know? That's just me. You like firecrackers the most? Yo, firecrackers go so hard. Why is the 5950X being sold in stores, but not the 5800 X3D? Wait, which one's the 5800 X3D? Because I know I'm definitely using the 5950X. Oh, I didn't get a ping? Oh, I'm so sorry. My apologies. It might have been part of me doing multi-streaming just to test it out to make sure everything was all good, but who knows? It could be anything. You're out watching fireworks Dune Tune? Yeah? Pretty cool. Oh, hell yeah. I guess, like, fireworks are probably much better in that region, you know? Yeah, he is a Wizard 101 gamer. Watch your stream in the comments? Oh my gosh. I mean, if you guys want to join, feel free. It just gets me to level 60 faster, right? Think about it. Fee, how's your Wizard 101 experience been recently? Are you enjoying it? Have you managed to get yourself back into the groove? So, I do want to bring up an important point here, okay? Because if we do this, it does mean that we are going to have to fight Malastare. And if we're fighting Malastare, that last battle is all death. So, Shadow Money Wizard. Alcohol burps suck. Not for you. Really? Interesting. I find that, like, if you're ever in a situation where, like, alcohol burps do come up, it's just like, wahoo. You know what I mean? We love casting spells. I love casting spells. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Okay, I got the book, right? Yeah, okay, good. You should drink even on an empty stomach, it gets no effects. It just goes down like water. I mean, it goes down like water, yes, but like sometimes, you know, you might regurgitate a bit because, you know, you accidentally like suck down some air over time, and now you have to like burp, and then all of a sudden it's just like Oh, you feel like the vapors coming up and like doing a slight burn on the throat. It doesn't burn on the way down, but on the way back up, you feel like the it perforating your throat or something. Okay, is there one in Plaza of Conquest? There's not. Okay, good. We did that. Yeah, Fee, have you been getting back into doing wizards? Oh, fuck, I accidentally opened up BNet instead of this. IPA did anything? I need stronger. I mean, IPA is nothing. That's the thing. Like, an IPA is nothing. Okay, let me wait for this to close. So I can scroll up here. There we go. Puffer. Both of you guys watching in the comments. Were you guys both just sitting in the comments? I mean, now you guys are in Zarathax's tower, just chilling and talking with one another, huh? I see how it is. You guys enjoying yourselves or something. I think this is the tower where you have to go to get yourself a scarecrow, right? Or a skeletal dragon. One of those two. Sisyphone. Been good. Almost done with Polaris. Oh, really? So you didn't manage to get back? Did you start back playing the game again? Since you played with me or whatever? This good boy don't even want to finish tonight. Oh, really? You guys were working on Polaris together or something? Yeah. Your stomach must be iron then? I mean, maybe. Or maybe you're just very good at not absorbing air when you're drinking. We just added in the comments. I was like dumbly messaging you in game. Oh, got it. Oh my gosh.
What's this?
Oh my god, Sisyphon, I am going to take you down.
This one looks tasty.
This one looks tasty, okay? Trust me. Alright, I'm waiting whoever's gonna cast Deer Knight. Done lots of carbonated stuff, no props. Alright, strat right now, okay? Because we have so much death. Alright, what I'm gonna do is I am going to unequip all of my damage spells, okay? I don't need anything damage-wise, alright? What I'm gonna do, strategically, okay, is I'm gonna put on a full kit of feints and a full kit of blades, okay? So I will only get feints and blades. Boom, easy strat, fantastic, I'm fainting. Death support. I'm actually thinking that when I get back up to where my balance wizard is, I will swap to that. At least in the storyline, which means I'm gonna take a big jump in quests, but it's gonna be good for me. Don't need that, don't need that. I'll keep the prisms just in case. I'll take a sacrifice out. And I will add one more feint, one more Deathblade. I like perfect. I don't know. Well, oh, fair. Lance, what are you drinking, by the way? What you got? Gotta move it on. Woof, Gecko. Wait, Gecko pulled out. Wow. Gecko pulled out the chat on the other channel. Whoa. Gecko, how does it look, by the way? Does it seem okay? Is the bitrate fun on that side? Sorry, I'm so sorry. Like, quest of my life. She's in Avalon, but it's so hard to quest on life. Dude, I got you, Fee, okay? I will support you in all of your decisions and actually, like, make everything so much easier for you, okay? I'm just gonna try and catch up as fast as I can on my death, okay? Oh, oh. Oh, whoa, oh, whoa, whoa, oh. Ooh, whoa, oh, whoa, whoa, oh. bum. Up, 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 bum. Da, 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 da. Can you guys TP in here? Nobody could hold me down. I need my life. So love. Find me in my life. It's out, but I was just a dark rum that I mixed with Dr. Pepper cherry. Ooh, fantastic. That sounds pretty good, actually, honestly. Because like that cherry adds a little bit of extra flavor onto the dark rum that like you don't necessarily get right away easy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It tasted like, oh, so that's why you were drinking it. Got it, Lance. I understand. Ooh, whoa, 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 oh. Oh, whoa, oh, whoa, whoa, oh. Ba da 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 da. Worst tasting drink I ever had was an IPA. Dude, I mean, most beers do taste pretty piss-like, okay? I'm gonna be real. When it comes to drinking something more appropriate, might be overkill at this point. No, never overkill. This is sufficient. Sufficient kill, okay? This is exactly what you need, okay? I feel an aggressive desire to call Fee, and if I'm calling Fee, I might as well add Slay, but you know, Slade. But my aggressive desire to call Fee is impending right now. No, I got you guys. Angry Orchard was okay. What I do prefer if I'm having something that's like a lower percent is grabbing a so real, make me feel. Yes, I love. Can I fill in the blank, Lance, just for you? You're 88% for power pips? Dude, it's such a bad look that you missed it 3 times in a row. Insane. Now I'm scrolling down this friends list here, okay? We're gonna find I'm Tokyo prison, going to like a theories. Time to get to I make you a group chat. Going to like a okay, I should not sing when people are in this voice call, maybe.
Sing all you want, I don't care.
No. Did you wake up? Oh my god, you sound tired.
No, I've been up a lot, like, the entire night.
Oh my god, welcome to the club, let's go. I'm so happy.
Like, for my work, I'm doing graveyard shifts now, so I have to, like, prep myself.
Oh my god, you're prepping?
I'm prepping by staying up
Whoa.
all night.
Welcome, Slade.
Oh my god, hi.
Hi, Slade.
Hi.
What the
Oh
hell?
my gosh.
What the hell?
That impending desire to call Fee was very important, okay?
This is the instant.
Honestly.
Hello, YouTubers.
Hello.
Wow.
Whoa. Oh my gosh. Sophie, did you do the Wordle already? Wait, I need to check.
I haven't done the Wordle today.
Oh my
I
gosh.
should.
This is one where if Rusty gets it in 2, I'm calling every level of blah.
That'd be crazy.
Yeah.
My one time I got it in 1, and that's it.
You're
Never
a
happening
professional,
again.
okay? You're a hero.
I
Now you have to
just
change your
started.
first word.
I'm a baby. I'm a baby compared to you guys.
Don't you worry. I'm just doing some fun little what's the word for it?
Oh gosh, I got in like 2nd. Okay, here we go.
Oh no. 2nd against the death enemies? Oh, but don't worry. Like
My turn.
Slade got it. We're good.
It's my
Wait,
turn.
you got it. Okay.
Yeah, we're good.
Unless I get that miracle round 1 shadow pip, then
Miracle Shadow Pip? Did they make them rare to get or something?
no, it's just hard at this point to get it.
Oh, got it. What's that little black bar to the left of the Shadow Pip symbol?
I think it's the chance, if you're getting it.
Oh, okay. So it's like a guarantee at a certain point.
Yeah.
Fill the spaces in. Lance, how much have you drank today? Oh my gosh. But yeah. Vibes
What
us for
is
this.
your dear night?
Oh, sorry?
What is your dear night?
Hmm?
Wait, what?
Wait, what?
Oh, I'm asking Wolf what his dear night is.
My date night?
Dear night?
Dear night. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm literally.
When are you spending so much on packs to get your deer night?
Oh, yeah, you know, I'm spending so much on my packs. Yeah, definitely. I don't need this Deer Knight. The best part about switching to balance, if I do that, is I don't ever have to think about Deer Knight ever again. All I have to do is think, oh, I love Ra. Ra's actually my bestie, okay? They're my homie, and no one will ever take them from me, okay? Oh, I just went the wrong way. Oh my gosh. What song is playing? This is way too calm for me.
No, you tell me when to change. You tell me when to port so I can do this Wordle.
Oh yeah, no worries. You should like wordle it all up.
Wordling.
I'm going to observe your score and I'm going to partially judge you, okay? As a fact of the matter of
Okay.
being a good friend, okay?
I
It's
hate
only like a
this.
30% judge, you know? Sorry, Slate, for not understanding. I apologize. I'm really bad at like listening to people who I've never heard their voice
It's
before.
okay. Yeah, this is our first time ever meeting VC.
On God, for real. Belay. Right, Mavra. Oh, she wants me to fight her? Okay. Yeah, you know, I guess he could probably like teleport over or something.
Okay.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah,
Spam
maybe
X or something.
oh, I'm taking a
got it.
damn fucking picture. I'm gonna see if I can teleport in.
Can you?
Yeah, I did.
Oh my
Okay.
god. What a hero, honestly. What a legend.
What a legend.
Yeah, like League of Legends, like that game that like I think you play a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My favorite game.
I'm so proud of you for enjoying League of Legends. It's such a good game. Oh my goodness.
Wait, you play
I
too?
am legally obligated to say this.
Oh yeah.
It was part of that NDA that they made me sign. Just kidding, just kidding.
Wait. A later reject. How do I acquire the monthly jewels granted by Kroger cards? I don't have a Kroger's where I live. What the fuck is Kroger's?
I think it's a
Supermarket.
grocery store.
Oh. Oh yeah, that's the one that's like it's a grocery store, but it's like also the corner store grocery store. I don't know. I'm
Mm. Mm.
honestly a leader. I don't know. I don't know what Kroger's is. Or before now I didn't.
Is it this word? Wait, if it's this word, I'd be funny. Oh my god, it is. Okay. Well, it was kind of an ass score, to be honest.
Yeah. So you
Oh,
can
wait,
see why
I
I'm
got the
saying
same. I
like,
got the same amount as you.
let's go. Jacob took one more than us, so definitely deficient, but we can do. They got Maycast Pigsy and Maycast Mass. Interesting. Wizard 101 spells. Yes. I know Wizard 101 things. This is
I love. I love Mass Fate. Just so you know, I didn't use full set of water gear, of Waterworks gear for
oh
like
yeah.
a couple of times because I had the Mass Faint spell on my hat.
Oh, gotcha.
It's so life changing when you have Deer Knight and Mass Faint.
Oh my gosh. All right. It looks like we're in a battle with an earth elemental. Ugh, gross.
Ew.
I guess I can probably just like, you know, hurt myself to like blade you or something, maybe.
What you didn't just like get a regular blade.
I did, but you know, I chose to use this because I'm better.
You wanted to be unique and special, huh?
Yeah, I wanted to be like a little snowflake or something. Plus, it gives you 2 blades, okay?
Can't even
When did
use
it give you
both of
2?
them.
What the fuck?
Yeah, I think that's the same. They're the same blade, so they don't get both used at the same attack.
Yeah, but like, you know, now you can have one to be like a little like pretty princess beret.
Yeah, let me just take this blade off real quick and put it on my hat. Is he gonna die from dot? Yeah.
You like to catch snowflakes on your tongue? Oh my god, so you can touch. You can touch. That was called Fee, Logan. You can catch Fee on your tongue. Let's go.
Yay!
I can't. I need to go to Sandor Spearcaller. Why are they all so like far away?
Do you have this one?
Which one?
That?
Oh,
Let me
yes.
see.
Sorry.
Yes. No, wait.
That's the
know.
wrong one.
Oh, whoops. I'm kind of blind. Hold up. What's that thing called again?
It's the death sigil.
Oh, I don't think I have any of those.
I
For
almost
the
walked into
symbol.
this battle.
I think you can get these from fighting in Olympus, I think.
Oh, we did some Olympus. He got the
You can craft them as well, but I just got one on
Alpha.
accident.
oh,
Hello, Q-Chaps. Hello, Dougie. How are you? Welcome, welcome. What you been up to?
Oh, the alpha and omega ring.
yeah.
Are you
Very
an
early
alpha?
form.
Are you an omega?
Like the movie?
Oh my god, I love the movie. I love Alpha Omega. I love Idaho. Oh my gosh. By the way, I got Alpha Omega Ring on my first try on this character, so yeah, I know I'm cool. I
Oh,
got,
you have it? You have it?
I do.
Yeah, he has it.
Oh my god.
I helped him out.
That's crazy.
Nah, Slade was actually the MVP there, honestly. They've been the MVP this entire run on, to be fair, so.
Yeah, I've been helping him climb up worlds.
Every time I try to I see you on, I'm like always having to do something. So sad.
Listen, now you stayed up all night and now you're here at the right time. It's perfect.
Fucking 5 in the morning.
Don't forget your pillory if you never grabbed it for. Weren't there like
Nah,
8
I'm good.
sequels for Alpha and Omega? Dude, there were... I'm certain there are like at least 7, so 8 might be a good idea. I can tell you that the second one and third one are okay, but after that, it just becomes like cheap CGI trash.
I hate these carriages.
Carriages?
The
Oh,
carriages.
heck. Oh,
The
you
four,
have a
the four,
carrier.
the 4-person mount.
Oh. I've seen like a bus that's like... It's actually just the battle bus, and you get like 4 people on it, and then everyone just gets in
A battle
battle.
bus?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Fortnite battle bus.
Fortnite, yeah.
Yeah.
Get into my Fortnite battle bus.
I have the clown car, the creepy clown car, a tiny one.
Oh my gosh.
I have the pumpkin one.
I remember in Azteca when they released the 3 like cedar mount with like the dinosaur. That was kind of cool.
The dinosaur one.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
the Triceratops.
I remember that
Tri-seed
one.
mount.
I
Let's
really
teleport
wanted
to
that
him.
one so bad. Okay. Wait, I'm teleporting to you on accident.
Oh my god, it works.
Oh my gosh.
What? Oh, like,
It's weird.
oh
Right.
my god,
Hello.
it just teleported,
Perfect.
me right across the map.
Let's go. The battle bussy. Yeah, Gecko, that's it.
Wait. We need to. I need to add you to the group so you can.
Yeah, he.
Oh, I can ride or something.
You can ride in, or we can also teleport to you easier.
But
Oh, is that
you
how it
would've
works?
known. Yeah, but you need to know his quest.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, my current quest, Return to Vern. I love Return to Vern. Okay, I need to grab some water. Oh gosh, what do I hydrate on? I need to go get a drink.
What are these birds
Oh my
doing
God.
here?
Wow, you didn't crit? That's crazy.
Damn.
Oh, I did crit. I did.
Sounds
Can't even finish
like
the job.
didn't even
Listen,
finish.
mister. Listen.
All right, whoever wants to
Don't worry,
finish
I'll
it,
do
finish it. Okay.
No,
I'm
I'll
gonna
do
get
it.
some water for the hydrate. So what I'm getting from this picture right here is that Slade is just better than Fee. So nice job. Good job, Slade.
Bitch did less damage than me. Okay.
I don't know.
I don't want to hear it. I
You
don't.
At least finish the
you.
job next
Yeah.
time.
Oh
Yeah,
my
2 blade on you.
God.
I don't want to hear it.
I had 2 blade, yeah, but still.
Yeah.
Fucking using.
Imagine finishing. Oh my gosh. Lance is just a gooner. Okay.
Yeah, but you had a fucking feint on. What?
But yeah, around these parts, we try and stay hydrated together. It's just important that you guys stay happy and healthy as myself. I got some blackcurrant squash right now, but I'm always curious if you guys might be drinking, so feel free to join along and let me know. Imagine lots. Oh my gosh.
Teehee.
Oh my god, this is such a good drink. Why is it always so
Wait.
delicious? I hate it. I hate it. I hate it.
I forgot I have this stitch on here.
Do you have this?
What, the wings? No.
Yeah, this wings. I have fought that furry boss so many times.
Okay, Grand Chasm time. Do I remember where the stone rose is, though? I think it's next to
On
Vault
here, all I have
33.
is like the blue.
Oh my god, look at that fat fuck.
He's so cute though.
No,
He's so
I'm
emo.
fat.
He's
Blue
my
and
fat
fat.
guy.
It's just a little
Little
baby chub, bro. Baby fat.
Little pork chop.
Mm.
Look at him dance.
Oh, it's an ox. I can't even tell what that is.
Oh my God.
They moved Rebellia is. That actually hurts my soul. They used to be like in the middle of the plaza, and now they're on top of a staircase. What the heck? Who would do such a thing to my favorite character in the Grand Chasm?
Actually, if you want to be the main damage dealer, I can do mass feint. Just realized that.
I already have mass feint on my helmet.
Yeah, that's what the same thing as I do.
What level? Cap. 80.
Yeah, just
80?
80. Just 80.
That's crazy.
Seems pretty
What?
normal.
Get a new one.
Get a new one. Okay, I'll go
Get a
spend
new
some.
one.
I'll get some. I'll go spend some money right now. Just
You
to,
like
just
me?
to
Spend a
check it.
little bit of money, just a tiny bit, okay?
How many Dorgan Havoc hoods do you have, huh?
There's only one because I came back when the pack was here.
Oh, is that the professor like lore one or whatever?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, dude, do you guys remember which vault the Stone Rose is at?
No.
I think it's from like the past portal.
Oh, it's in the past? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, cool. So I don't need to worry about that. Yeah.
I have 3 Malistaire hoods right now.
Damn. How many times you been farming him or what?
The fucking robe took me at forever.
I have his robe, but I have the Bone Smasher one, the exalted
Yeah.
one.
Wait, is that the thing for the level 100 world thing? Mini world?
It's from like the dual
The
housing
gauntlets.
item. Yeah.
Oh god.
I think
Oh.
I have a couple.
Sometimes I goom. Let's go, Lance. Goom. Okay.
Time to goon.
I'm to goom.
I have an Archmage. You guys want to do an Archmage?
Archmage. I've never done one.
Never done one.
No.
You want to do one?
Sure.
Okay, let's just do this after his quest, I guess. Actually, you know what? I'll go set it up right now.
See, Necropolis, Dragonstar Academy, Labyrinth, Crystal Grove. Okay, I know where most of these are. I know where the Necropolis is. I know where that is. The Labyrinth is weird. Yeah, that's be fine. Sorry, I got distracted. I'm so sorry. I'm wasting your guys' time. I
No,
don't.
it's okay. I need to take care of my garden.
I need to take. Oh no, my garden! No,
How do you forget your garden?
please, please.
Estimate.
I need to remember my garden. All right, I got this. This crystal crawler is going down. Okay, I hope you understand, guys. I'm actually so ready to slay. Oh, there's
Do
two
it,
of them.
do
Oh
it.
wait. Oh, I still got Deer Knight. We're good. Okay.
I mean, I'm so free. I can come over right now.
I mean,
Yeah,
if I have to
alright.
ask help or crystal crawlers, that's probably a little bit down on me.
No, but the ice is pretty tanky.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah, that's 765 health.
Oh my gosh,
I don't
that's
think you
so
got
much.
those.
That's so much. They have less health than the storm enemies from the last zone.
Which
Storm
is
Sweeper.
crazy.
What?
Sorry, Fee. I had to, you know.
You hurt yourself. I
Yeah,
get
it was an accident, honestly. Yeah. Wait, Zorik,
I'm surprised the third enemy is not coming in right now for some reason.
when it pre-calculates that you've already won the battle, it doesn't do it anymore.
Oh, it's because I'm here, obviously.
Yeah, you can tell whether you're gonna fizzle or not by basically.
Mm.
If they join the battle, then you realize you fizzled, and it's like, oh, okay, cool. I love getting that sound. Oh my gosh. But busy kind of. I hope that like the busyness isn't too much though, Zorik. Good morning, MB3 Details. Welcome, welcome. This is your first time chatting. I'm Volpy, and we're having a chill old time today. Being wholesome with an asterisk. Thank you so much for popping by. How are you doing today? Wait, so how does the group make it easier to teleport?
Hmm.
You just have to click
Oh
social
well,
or
it makes
something?
it makes it easier to see your quests.
Okay, I have everything set up.
All right, guys.
Whenever you guys want
What's my
to
current
do it.
quest? Return to Vern. We're good.
Return to Vern.
Return the slab.
Wait, when did you want to do that thing?
Oh, I mean, anytime. I'm at my house right now.
Let me come see your house.
Oh, guys, go do it. I got plenty of time for myself to do things, so
Okay.
you guys take care of it. Your
You guys want to do
exploration.
you guys want to do Exalted or Archmage?
Wait,
Zeus exalted mirror.
wait.
Meow
Hold up here.
Yardy.
Hold up here. Hold up here. I'll swap.
Oh, you do your
Wait,
vault.
I can pop on my balance if you guys want or something.
Oh yeah, sure. Maybe for Blades.
For
Hey, I haven't found your
blades.
balance.
Yeah, definitely. That's
I
me.
haven't found your balance yet.
Hit it up. Hit it up. You got this shit.
Wait, V come in here. My little mine.
Your little mine.
Yeah, my little mine.
All right.
Get some
I'm
G
in the
shit.
gem shop. I'm going to Phoenix.
Can I double
Okay.
do it since I have one in my own house?
I don't know, maybe.
Let's see what happens.
Okay, gem store. Oh,
See, if I forgot the belt. I gotta pull my pants up frequently. No, not the pants pull up.
wow, he's a eepy little puppy, huh?
I'm tired.
He's just a
Wow.
dog, and they don't deserve to be coddled. Okay. Wait, I have Alpha and Omega. Why am I not using that instead of this gold
Crazy.
battle of ring?
That's
ring
crazy.
battle.
Oh my god.
Why am I using my level 56 plus rings? Those are and Alpha Maze. Those are better, right?
Wait, what am I in?
Inside.
Volpe.
Oh,
What realm are you in?
Phoenix. Always Phoenix. Never
Okay.
not Phoenix. We only Phoenix here. My pants L. Oh yeah, dude. If you're not wearing pants, then you don't have to like, you know.
Oh, they are. Damn, so fast.
They do
Okay.
call me the quickest in the West, all right. I'm so fast, I'm already in the East.
Good.
Good.
Was that losing weight
Okay.
in the East to
You
fit
can come to
fine?
me now.
Loss.
Where's Fee? Is he still in the mine?
No, I'm on your couch potatoes.
Oh, okay.
Wait, where are the couch potatoes? Are
Over
they actually a
there.
couch? Why is there like automated farming? Why are the farms stacked, bro?
Oh, this is like
Easy.
efficiency, and I just
Yeah.
aim at that blue yarn in the middle.
Yeah, so you don't use up too much of your things.
Yeah, my green mana, whatever it was. Anyways,
Make energy.
Banana.
Fee
What are these
challenges. Y'all want to do
birds
them
doing
tonight?
here?
It's green oil. Beyond
You do 'em.
bone.
Okay, want to do the Archmage first? I need to fix up my deck. Hold up.
You're gonna be damaging. I'm just gonna support you with the blades.
What do you mean?
Why are my
can
clockwork
both do
decks just
damage.
called deck?
I don't got the damage. Clearly, obviously,
Clearly, what do you mean? The fuck, huh?
clearly.
Honestly, okay, y'all ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
Okay.
Put death traps.
Let's get it.
Let me just swap my deck or whatever. There we go.
Okay.
All right, let's do this. Wait, they're only rank
Honestly, I don't know
12.
what to
Wait,
expect.
There's just Archmage like level 70.
but that makes significantly more sense. I don't have heals. Whatever. It's not a big deal.
2 death wizards here. That'll be fine.
I have a enchanted Deathblade.
Okay, I'll just give you my pet.
Wait, there's cheats? Oh, guys, you didn't tell me about the
Yeah.
cheats.
Oh well, I forgot about this. So good luck. We'll find
I
out together.
honestly don't remember.
What's he doing? Is he just like stancing on you?
DOT. No, it's DOT.
Why?
Yeah, I don't know what these are.
Why is he
Putting it-
hexing
he's
everyone?
putting he's putting chastity locks on everyone.
Oh,
Hey yo, hey yo, what the hell?
That's what happens. when you
he
play
took more
against-
damage and he's gonna give what?
More pips for that guy.
But why? What is he doing with them?
Use a pip. The
Earthquake.
pip thingy.
Fucking
Oh no, he has
earthquake.
earthquake. Oh fuck. Okay, sorry.
It's myth and it's fucking so weird.
Oh, here comes earthquake.
Oh,
Oh.
Oh, look at that good dog.
such a-
Oh, I forgot to
such
put
a
my pet on.
cute
I don't have my
earthquake.
resist pet. Oh no.
that's crazy.
Wait, is this AoE?
You're trolling is.
Yeah, it is. Oh,
What?
And I was the only one that crit blocked. Wow. I was
Oh. Who cares? Yeah. I'm pretty tanky, so
okay.
Hello, Fiji. How are you doing today? Welcome, welcome. What are these
Damn.
birds doing here? Oh, that didn't play. I have to go fix that. Dude. Oh.
Supernova. I think. They didn't make this AoE. It's like one at a time. So sad.
They literally did not fix that.
It's
At least
fast
what
enough.
didn't
They
fix.
said, hey, it's fast. We're good.
No, not fast enough. I need
Well,
to be faster.
I mean, it's not like, the supernova can attack us all at once. It has to run through each one of us separately.
Can it can run hit you in the side all at once. There you go. It's like a
Oh,
little
come
swipe.
on.
Oh, I haven't seen this spell
Wait.
for a long time. Wow. Maybe I should have brought heals.
Maybe.
I don't know.
It's so unique for doing literally nothing. Literally.
Yeah,
14
14, but like
damage?
DOT.
Yeah, it's like 20 damage initially, and then...
Damn, it's crazy. Huh.
That
Wow,
was
you
a
took
nice spell,
35?
but it
That's
did
actually
nothing.
insane. I can't believe.
I had a trap on me.
Don't worry though. Keep up the good work, guys.
He's killing himself. Oh my god.
For
Three
that
more
3
pips.
pip.
Let's go. Do you guys are you guys mad if I like kill the Midnighter real quick?
Go ahead. I don't know if it's gonna respawn
What are
or
you
not.
doing? What are you doing?
I don't have potent. I only have normal paint.
You can do normal feint. It's fine.
Okay, go ahead.
All right, I'm just gonna see if I can do the Meowie or the Midnighter real quick.
Good. Damn, crazy.
I mean, just in case, you know, like I don't want to have those pips like be rapidly stacking. He is hurting himself every time, but you know.
I don't know if he comes back or not. That's the problem.
But if he comes back, we kill him again, you know?
True.
Not Earthquake.
Oh,
Okay.
bunga
You
frog.
Oh, and this one does that all at once. Okay.
The big boy.
Big chungus.
Guys, you know,
The original
Wait.
Big Chungus.
why is it damage over time? What?
Look, it's Frost Dog.
Oh my god,
I
it's
love that
Husky!
Look at the redesign. So cute.
I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. it
Wait,
doesn't
why didn't he blow at
redesign.
me?
What? He won't.
He doesn't like blowing on you.
Oh, I see. Alright.
You don't have a normal
I
death blade
do.
on you.
Well, now
You
I
do?
do.
Okay, well, go fuck myself, I guess.
Yeah, maybe you just should actually. I don't know. The worst part about all my decks on my Balance Wizard are that they're all built for solo play because I had to do the entirety of Azteca alone, and that was depressing.
Damn. What?
On a
Is that
balance, wizard?
balance?
That's crazy.
Oh,
It's
my
great.
god. That's suffering.
Yeah, and I could only find 2 people for my run through Zabalba as well, so it was just me and someone else. But hey, it's fine, you know. Solo Wizard 101 is how it goes.
But solo on a balance, that's like.
It's simple, you know. You
Insane.
don't realize how much damage you actually do until, yeah. It just sucks when you have the double bosses everywhere that have 26 mil health or 26k health or something. You hell never shit dropping in 45 minutes. Oh, 90.
my
Oh,
God.
crap. We're almost
Where's
there.
my Cthulhu? You know what? Good. I'm a Day Knight.
All right.
Actually,
I'm
yeah,
not finding any
I'm like-
sharpened blades, so I'm just gonna put my 10% hex on Meowiarty.
Should I Deer Knight or Fenji? Maybe I say Fenji.
Frenzy.
Yeah.
I have some more stuff I can do.
Even though the boss like 7k, I don't know. I had to worry about it.
Yeah, we go for max damage here.
Yeah, 2 mil right now.
If Volpe even lives,
I have more than half
Can
my
you-
health.
yeah. So do we.
You're assuming I'm not at level 95, you know? I'm already like a demigod amongst yourselves.
A demigod.
Mm-hmm. That's me. I'm a demigod, you know?
That's so funny. What's the point of taunt on human people?
Well, are you not going to attack him?
Oh. Oh. Well,
That's
I can't do that
crazy.
anymore. You know what? I forgot. That's fine. Doggy.
Okay, so what that means is that all we have to do is just quickly kill that guy.
Yeah.
Oh.
I blocked. Haha. It's my turn to block.
Yeah, I'm fine
Oh,
with not
shit.
blocking, you know? I'm pretty cool like that.
I still had the less amount of damage.
Oh my God,
taken.
oh,
Hey,
there-
why
there
are
you-
you
there you
using
go.
judgment on me, bro? I wish I had my actual pet, bro.
Dying.
Oh my god.
Oh my
my god.
They appreciate me, okay?
Oh,
They
And
really
get
appreciate me,
stunned.
okay?
That's crazy.
that mass stun? No, it is one stun.
Yeah, they just don't
Can
like
you
me,
live?
alright?
Can you live?
They saw what I did to the bro. I can't, but you guys just win this real quick, you know?
That depends. You have two DOT. I forgot how much they do
Just
together.
kill them this round, you know, like if you do that real
Fine.
fast.
Okay, you know what?
Just
Yeah,
kill them this round.
If,
Yeah.
if those kill you, I don't know what's gonna happen.
They won't. They won't.
Okay.
They
Oh, getting so close.
won't.
Oh my god.
They won't. All right, you trust me.
Imagine.
I think
I'm
they
literally
did.
fine. Like you can actually see my health bar right now. Okay.
What? I can't even see it.
Wait,
You got like literally 1 HP.
why'd you take 2,000 damage from that?
Who the fuck knows? Just kill the damn thing.
We're having fun, right, guys?
Listen, I made multiple errors this fight, but we're
too.
fine.
If only I had Pixie.
Oh,
Pigsy?
you haven't farmed that?
Is that the one that person in chat was
No.
talking about?
Pixie? I think so, yeah.
God, you pop the chastity cages. Wow.
Popping them.
Maybe
Hey.
overkill.
Want to share some of that healing with us?
Oh,
Yeah,
no,
maybe,
get
can,
your
can I have
own.
some or something? Yeah. I don't
But
know.
yo,
Wait,
you open that chest.
are we all supposed to open it or like one person? I don't know.
You can open it.
I'll just know.
Oh God! Oh
Loot
no! There's so many
transport.
items. Ah! What is this? Is this better than what I got?
Oh, yeah,
Wait,
pretty
7
cool.
armor. 61 crit.
didn't-
No, it's not.
I didn't
Okay.
get any type of like gear, but
Knave. Oh, Knave equalizing tunic.
I got a
Okay.
moat, so that's fine.
Yeah,
I'll
it's
take
weaker
that.
than what I've got. Honestly, kind of cringe.
I only have a universal boot. That's sad.
Les, well, thank you very much for this experience. Let me like go in here
Want to
and
do
just
it
like
harder?
yeah, we
Want to do it
should.
harder?
Yeah, we should. Honestly.
Yeah.
Yeah, level 100 gear.
I'm actually probably gonna have to take some heals here. No
Yeah.
idea.
Yeah, let me go get Availing Hands in here.
You know
Wait,
what?
do
I should be the
I-
tank. I have my tank gear.
I
Wait,
should
are
be-
you gonna tank or are you gonna damage or should I damage?
I do support death support.
Okay, then I guess I'll.
Yeah, I'll just switch it up right now.
Wait, can I only at max have 4 Availing Hands? Wait, what?
I guess I'll fucking. Let's see here.
Is this them balancing the game? Who does that? Oh yeah, you're only allowed to heal like at most 4 times because people are stalling games or something. Dude.
Yeah, I need to put on my outfit. Hold up.
I guess I don't need any punishments in my deck because it's not like I'm not gonna pop them anyways. The cheats are gonna be the same, right?
Well, which harder one are we doing actually? 'Cause there's
You
multiple?
guys pick Zeus or the cat.
The Catagon, or
Sure.
I mean, I can't use I can't use bubbles. It just should be fine, honestly. I don't think it's that bad.
Yeah, they're called bubbles. Yeah. Meowie already exalted. Zeus exalted. The rich get richer. Foxworth, are you gonna be playing as soon as servers drop back up? Drop back up. Pop back up. That's the word. There we go.
You got it. You
I'm so bad at language now. I haven't had to talk to people in an official capacity for a long time.
See here. Okay, let's put in some.
Zooming up, Volpe. Oh, perfect. Yeah, no worries, Foxworth.
I don't even know what else I can put to make this fight
If you
easier.
riz me. My gosh. Foxworth, you want me to skippity riz you? How could one skippity riz the skippity rizzler, Foxworth?
What the hell?
No questions. No questions. Do I wait for 2 Shadow Pips and do Shadow Shrike?
Yes, yes, you do. Absolutely. That's exactly what you have to do.
Here we go.
Wait, I don't have any. Wait, oh, that's right. I need to relearn all the life spells. That's why I have 27 training points. Take me back.
Mm, 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 mm. Yeah. I don't need to make my deck consistent at all. I think we'll be fine. I think this will be very good.
I
I'm a
forgot
professional.
when did they reset the training point system?
Wait, they changed the system?
No, like they refunded me like the points. I had to relearn all the life spells now.
Wait, they refund everything?
No, you probably done one of the free one, like when they had the free chargeback.
I don't remember.
Yeah.
Oh,
Because usually they have free chargebacks
Marketplaces?
for
Who's
members. I'm gonna go into your house and see what's in there.
that's not my main house. That's my farming house.
Literally nothing. Wow.
Yeah, it's my farming house, dude.
Get some furniture up in here. Shit.
Wait,
I can
wait,
show you my
I got
other
this.
house.
There's a
Look at that.
This is the
blowfish
house.
in the back.
I can show you my other house. How about that?
All right, guys, I'm
Show
going
me
to the
your
barn.
house.
Oh my god! Hey guys, it's Fox in the stable.
Did you see the horse in there?
I do not, but Fox in the stable though. Come on, where's the horse, bro?
The one Zeus staff on the fucking.
I'm disappointed. Hmm.
Okay, that's all I should ever need. Okay.
I love how the couch potatoes are just watching television.
Yeah, those are couch potatoes. All.
Dun, 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 dun.
Fix this up.
All right, I'm raiding your mog right now. All right, P.
What?
I'm raiding your mog.
My mog.
Yeah.
What?
Let's see here. Wait, I have an adult Tailstorm Pantera. Already has the good stats.
Mine's better. Teehee. Anyways, you guys can teleport to me if you want to see my first house.
I'm gonna judge.
Yeah.
I'm gonna judge. I'm judging right now. All
What do
right,
you mean-
I'm already
what do you
judging.
mean?
The load time. Wow,
What do you
that
mean?
load time was actually incredibly long. That's crazy.
There's so much shit in here. That's why.
I see boxes
so-
here. Not even loaded in actually. That's gonna take
What
marks
do
off.
you mean? You don't know what they are.
Oh my god, here. Great Clockwork Gauntlet. This little buggy in the thingy. Why is there a merry-go-round? Wait. A carousel, sorry.
What fun.
I can change views.
Yeah. There's a 4-person seat. This is content, guys.
I remember this Spyro Cup Gauntlet. Oh my god.
Wait, the Spiral Cup Gauntlet? I know that one. I know that one. It was there when I was playing. Oh my gosh. I have one, actually, I think. No, actually, I really do think I have one. Wait, hold up. Not on this character in here, but like... I definitely have it in my house, maybe. Wait.
Oh, death pet.
Wait, I'm going to my house. I'm going to my house. Holy crap. Wait.
Oh, I have one over here. What the heck? I have
Okay, it's
another
definitely on my
already
Death
arcade.
Wizards. No, wait. Is this it? Is this it? Wait. Hold up. Crocopatra
Say pull up.
Exalted Duel.
Oh, we can do that too.
No. I have to have that in my house. It's important.
Why?
It's a status symbol.
For what? I have like many of them.
Yeah, but it's a status symbol to have one that's not complete, you know? Because it shows
Oh, I
that
mean,
I don't want to complete it.
okay.
Says you have no friends to complete it with. Okay, so
No. It just shows that like I'm too good for it, okay? It's a waste of my time.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But good gears.
Good gear? Is it better than Waterworks? I don't think so.
Some of them can be better.
Yeah.
Hmm. Now, no friends? Come on, Cal. Come on. I thought you were my friend.
Oh, he's going through my teleporters.
Wait. Do your teleporters link to your other houses?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, you can do that.
I'll do your purple one. Exactly to this one. God damn it. Get me out of here. I'm inside
My
him.
bitch for Dell? Oh my
Excuse me?
gosh. I'm inside him as well.
Your teleporters are kind of janked up, homie.
Oh, I'm sorry. Here. Let me set you free.
Unable to find your zone on server can connect too long.
Which one did you actually the
Oh,
blue one?
I got kicked out.
Oh my.
The blue one?
Don't go to the blue one.
Went through.
It's just my myth house.
I don't know why, but it kicked me out when I went there. It
Mm.
was
Flip
like
my
you can't
switch.
go
Okay,
there.
Foxworth. Okay, I got you. What's the yellow green one? The Grello one?
The Grello one. It's just Grello. It's my crafting room.
Okay. You have an aquarium over here. Another aquarium.
Yes.
This lady
A
got
box
some
in the
moves.
wall. What?
Homie,
Isn't
your
there a
shit's not
secret
reloading yet.
What? Alright. I bet if I go through this doorway, there's gonna be boxes.
Yeah.
There aren't actually. Wow, you sleep in a cellar?
No. Huh? You missed my bedroom. It's upstairs. This is for guest bedroom.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. Honestly, I think it's really good, especially when your guests are like the average shopper at a grocery store. I think they probably
True.
deserve it, honestly.
A little toasty.
They can't complain about the heat, all right? Especially with this door open, you know, it can get drafty in there.
True. Anyways, here's my rooms. Christmas room.
Why is this apple enough to stop my Raiden?
Christmas.
Oh my god.
Ding dong, ding dong.
Most demonic dream? Toxic, what was it? Hal just said the
The
word.
piano.
Yeah, it's upstairs. Look at all my pets upstairs. I'm a hoarder.
Everyone's a hoarder with pets, to be honest.
Everyone's a hoarder of pets? That's impossible. There's no way that anyone would be a hoarder of pets.
I don't know how to play instruments. I'm sad. Oh, wonderful.
Fuck.
Oh my god, Legend of Zelda.
Wait, where's these keys going?
I don't know.
E. It goes from Z to M and then E to P. This is the
What?
stupidest model I've ever seen.
Please play on my piano.
I can't.
Yo, do you guys like my
No.
staircase?
It's full of flowers. Yeah, I can see that. How can you see?
The best part is I
Fuck.
don't have to, okay?
Fuck this piano. That's just crazy.
Don't fuck me. Don't fuck my piano. How dare you?
No, go fuck the
Fucking your
piano. Go fuck the
piano.
piano, bro.
Fucking the piano.
Oh no.
Okay, you guys ready? Oh, what happened?
I have traumatic memories from this room.
Ew, what is that? Brother, Brother, what?
So you wanna know what I did in this room?
What?
There's a portal at the bottom of my stairs that had lead to this cage.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
I see how it is.
And I hit the portal with a different tree. And I had a lot of people over because this was back in the day of, I want to say Celestia, when we just got the dual arena house right here. And so I had a lot of people come over just like consistently be dueling, right?
Uh-huh.
But when they win the house, they all get trapped in the cage. And I just trade that as like a ritual ground with RP and stuff.
Oh
I
my goodness.
RP'd in Wizard 101. What the fuck is wrong with me?
Whoa, that's crazy.
That's kind of funny, to be honest.
Dude.
Anyways, let's do these duels. Yeah, I think you can get spells from these duels. I think.
Spells?
I went to the
Spells.
wrong one.
You exalted duel.
Alright, let's pull out Cameron Sky Sword, alright, bros?
Yeah.
Alright, Cameron Sky Sword is ready. I hope you guys are prepared.
I'm fucking lost. I'm gonna just teleport.
How much money you spend this game? Irradian, over the course of about, how long has it been? Since 2008? I only spent money from 2014 to 2018.
Oh, everyone's all here. Y'all ready?
I think I'm ready.
And I think I spent about $600 in total. So that's like $150 a year or so. Not that bad. I think that's a reasonable amount to spend on a game. Especially since I spend more on my
I spent way too much trying to get stupid spells.
Oh my gosh. Dude, people ask me like,
Okay.
"Oh my god, why do you have so many extra crowns after you buy like all the things that you can with it?" It's like, bro, like
Whenever you're ready, just join in.
it starts me sooner.
Are we doing zoos?
Yeah, we're doing zeros.
Okay.
New sheets, all right.
Yeah, new sheets. I don't remember what they were, but good luck.
He insta kills everybody.
Oh my god,
true.
wow,
Hates
I'm
the
so happy he's
gays.
gonna introduce. He's gonna instant kill us up.
To introduce. I'm starting.
I should be in first,
And
honestly,
then,
because I'm cooler.
yeah. No.
And then I'll get in last, because why not?
Yeah, because of damage, are you not?
Yeah, I'm damaged.
Oh my god, you're so damaged. Wow, good for you.
There's a pet. My pet.
Take my pet.
Oh shit.
I'm not worried, honestly. This is only what, like
400 damage. Give or take.
You almost died to the last one. I don't know how this is gonna work.
bro, this will be fine.
Oh, 0. Jeez.
Oh.
Damn, okay.
I'm a bit scared about how much damage these dots are gonna do.
Oh, I forgot about that. Yeah, so he's basically like a regular one.
Oh, AoE. Okay.
I should have swapped pets, bro.
I'm looking at the cheats right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm on a wiki
Oh,
right
is
now
it just
too.
like the normal fight? Oh.
It kinda, yeah, maybe.
Oh, zero damage.
Oh, so it's like
We
50-50 if it
have
does
to.
1,000 damage or 0.
Oh,
It's Gamba. It's Gamba. It's fine.
you love Gamba.
I love Gamba. How much HP do they have even?
22k.
That's not bad.
We want to fight. We want to kill all of them at the same time.
Yeah, that's why we're stacking up.
Lovely.
Doggy.
Oh, woo.
Always doggy. No Medusa, no earthquake. I'm happy.
He can cast earthquake,
I know.
but
He decided not to.
so.
This should be fine. Like, we're good.
Well, no, he doesn't have the spell to cast earthquake, but
Did I go?
he can if we
Oh,
activate the
shit.
cheat. But we'll be fine.
Oh, everyone did. Okay.
Okay, guys.
I mean, at least Fire Dragon does most of its damage up front. So, like, in the grand
I
scheme of
thought they
things, it's not
buffed
that bad. Wait, did they?
I don't know.
I thought that was like the benefit to using Dragon versus Rain of Fire.
I don't know.
You know what? I'll just kill you first. Yeah. Okay. I was just changing my pips.
I'm about to trigger a cheat, guys, by the way. I'm not even looking at the wiki, but I'm about to trigger one.
It's a lot of cheats, homie. I don't know what to tell you.
I actually don't know any of these cheats, but I know exactly what I'm going to trigger, right? Trust you me. I'm a balance wizard. You know, I have to trigger cheats.
Oh, okay.
You put the weekend.
No, the spells.
Oh, dispose.
It took the
Why
myth
did
away.
take them? Okay, good. That's actually the good one, right? Because he's deaf.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're good.
'cause
Okay,
yeah,
no,
yeah.
we're fine. Yeah, perfect. Fantastic. I did the right thing. I did exactly what I need to do.
True. And then earthquake. Oh, Medusa on me. Okay. That's
Oh,
fine.
get stunned.
He actually literally does not have the spell for earthquake.
Oh, okay, good.
Yeah, but like, what if he earthquake
guess-
though?
So it's first.
I will
because
just
he
don't
doesn't
kill
have it.
just don't kill one of the other bosses and he won't use earthquake.
Hmm.
I'm stunned. Sad.
You think you can silence a god though?
Apparently
Oh.
so.
Hey, at least this only does 810 damage over time, plus 200 damage or something. Wait, is this a fire version?
Yeah, it's fire
Yep.
version of Bone Dragon.
Oh. Why does the model look so crusty when it comes to fire?
You crusty. Dispel. Loser.
Actually, you're gonna fizzle right there, dude. I'm sorry, but yeah, I'm just like that.
Raw.
I kind of forgot that he's a death wizard. So I did not bring a present.
No one blocked. Okay, shit.
I mean, it's only gonna do what?
We're all
1,500 base?
dead.
That's like 1,200. Less than that, bro.
Oh,
Oh.
no
All
cleanse.
the shit stats.
Why does that do that? Wait, but Red's like not that. Wait.
It confuses you?
I'm so confused.
Don't
We
worry
have-
about it. Wait, no, this is the same thing, so it doesn't matter.
I am stunned. I can do anything.
Yeah, so where's the Bartleby cast at?
Oh, go Manasai.
I should have, want my life wizard.
Yeah, honestly.
Who cares?
Yeah, why aren't we one-turning this, actually? Like, honestly, we should be one-turn strats on this.
Ashley. Don't worry, we just burnt through all of the pips. So good.
He has a shadow pip.
Oh no, what are you gonna do with a power pip and a shadow pip?
By the way, the Death Wizard lost their shadow
Fucking
pips.
Colossus. I don't know.
My Dispel made the Death Wizard lose his shadow pip.
Oh,
Oh, that's crazy.
So
Frankenstein.
my strat was actually the best because I stopped his scroll through. So
I wonder if he's gonna. I wonder if he's gonna save until he uses Storm Owl on. Just kills Volpe immediately.
I mean, Storm Owl doesn't do that much damage. Like if he crits, I still sit.
It does 1,470 base.
Yeah, I'll live that.
Uh-huh.
Bro, you're actually like I'm the squishiest thing to ever exist. I don't know.
I'm looking at your health right now.
It's literally only
the hell?
2,049. It's fine. We're fine. Ooh, which type is it gonna be? Ooh.
I actually really love this mechanic. I have no idea.
Okay.
Ooh, lightning. Ooh. And it's one more, right?
Yeah. No,
No,
it's
it's
two.
only two.
Oh, and a.
Which is gonna trigger a cheat. You can't be making bubbles here, guys. Can I faint?
Do you have regular feint or?
I have regular, and also I have a potent somewhere in the deck.
I have a potent right now.
I'm gonna heal this round and then faint next. I'll hit like Cronus or something. Oh, you don't need
You
to
like-
worry too hard about using like
Oh, I'm still stunned. Oh, it's stunned for 2 rounds. The
yeah,
heck?
2 rounds Medusa.
That's stupid. Okay.
Dude, I know these spells. Oh my god, wow, guys. I know my spell numbers. That's crazy. You guys treating me like a newbie. Meanwhile, I'm actually just the best at this game, you know?
I don't. I hate this. I hate Medusa. Oh.
Oh, you can't heal yourself.
Oh. Oh, damn.
Okay, you can't heal yourself, guys.
Yeah.
What? What?
Honestly, I don't know. Oh, shit.
Oh no.
Ifrit?
Guys, I think we lost that. Yeah, I think we lost
Yeah.
this. I don't have any cleanses for that.
He pierced that too. That's kind of crazy.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, but all you have to do is like, I don't know, Wanda, you know, easy.
I don't have a wand head.
That's also a death hit, too, because that's a death one, no?
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
So yeah. So you...
Hmm.
So I guess it's the loss.
I got this.
Mm.
I got this.
Listen, okay,
Totally
what do you have on
know.
you? You have a Hold by Blade Storm, okay.
No, I'm gonna do Sprayer Trap on him. I'm missing like a sharpened blade.
Sorry, I'm gonna die real quick, just as a joke, as a prank.
Wow.
Is that single target?
I
don't
can't tell with this cam
remember.
angle. I can't tell with that cam angle. Oh yeah,
Oh,
it's
Just
AoE.
one.
It's AoE.
Has no sound effect. Oh, hello.
Oh, override.
To lightning, despite him being myth, right? Wait, is he lightning?
He has lightning spells though.
Oh, excuse me.
That's not me, right?
Everyone, this is
everyone.
everyone. Oh boy, I forgot how hard this fight was. Oh shit, the fuck.
What is happening? Why is everyone taking a different time? What?
Ooh.
Okay, I'm opening this up. What's this
Oh,
fight? What's this
okay.
fight called? What am I searching up?
Zeus
Exalted.
exalted. You fizzled that. We're dead.
Oh yeah.
Oh, here we go.
What
It's
the
immortal.
fuck?
It's
Hey,
a
wait.
whole freaking.
Wait,
thing.
okay.
I think I'm dead.
I think you are dead. Yep.
Oh yeah,
okay.
he's Cassidy for it.
Okay, dispels placed on an enemy, they'll remove it. If an all enemy spell's used, they'll cast Healing Current on the wizard.
Damn. Okay.
If another boss is defeated, he'll cast Earthquake every 2 rounds. Single target spells used. Use Shift Meteor on the caster. At the end of every 5th round, we'll cast a version of Wrath of Zeus, dealing 935 damage to all wizards and cast Astrophobia. What the? And you
Should
have
we
to
just
make
do
sure
the
you kill
majority fight?
Apoyo. Wait, Apoyo's not here. Okay.
What I do here? Do I just like res you guys?
I don't know. I mean,
Oh, is it me? You know what? Funny, haha.
I mean, to be fair, if you all attack, then Zeus will be happy, I think.
-65. How much?
mm,
Don't worry, it's a 400 damage shield. We're good. Oh, but you're selfish, so, you know.
So it was just gonna take away my stuff.
Why is the tree still in the middle? What's going on?
Bumblebee, let's go, protecting us, right?
He's such a hero. What is all this animation no sound bullshit, bro? Like, what is going on?
Oh shit.
It's
Hello,
only 6 in the morning.
Robin.
holy
Welcome,
hell.
welcome. How are you? We miss you, Robin. It happens. Wait, that's so long ago. I missed it by 30 minutes. Okay.
I'll fucking die.
And then Poseidon. Wait, Poseidon's not here, right?
No.
No.
Cronus is here. Cronus doesn't have any cheats apparently, according to this list, unless it's like.
I do not have a shadow pip, so I can't use my spell.
Yo, what if I like trolled you as a joke?
What if I did a funny and just reshuffled you? Or so-
Oh, I bet.
What if I did the same
Cancel everything.
thing?
Here you go. Nice. Okay.
184. That's not bad. That's not bad. That's positive health. All right. Here.
Okay, yeah, I think we should flee. Now we have no pips.
Yeah, but you have all the cards.
You have
My
every
goodness.
card back twice.
I don't
over.
have anything in my deck. Only support for a death wizard.
Oh, this is the Atlas spell.
For a death wizard that lost all their blades. So I don't know.
An Atlas pondered.
Colossus, here we go.
So you said this was a challenge, yeah? That's crazy.
Yeah,
Yeah, you know.
it's in the name.
I really should transfer my pet back to this character from my pet wizard. Yeah,
That's if you want to try this again, but I mean, you do have all of Dragonspine to do.
Yeah, you're actually so right.
Oh damn,
Oh,
the wheel calendar.
calendar.
I like.
I
this
remember when the
animation.
spell was released.
This is so fun.
I love Azteca. Why is it doing lightning damage? Wait, what?
Wow, 13 health.
Because this is Wizard 101. I'm alive
Okay.
still.
Yeah,
You're
we're
alive.
both
Let's go.
alive.
Easy game. Easy game. We win these. We win these
Easy
right now. Like,
game.
look at this.
We didn't even touch them.
I got this. Gonna frenzy, and then I'm gonna
Overdrive.
Oh,
Sorry.
I'm gonna fucking die.
Clearly, they won't hit me, right?
Zwei Iton Spielen. Welcome. Thank you very much for the follow. Glad you could pop by. I'm Volpy and we're having a chill all the time today. Seeing also with us.
That's what that
How are you doing
does.
today?
If you
Yeah.
trap him, he skips you. I just
If you trap any of
realized
them, I
that.
think.
yeah.
He hates
Oh,
you.
I'm dead.
No.
If
Artist
you-
appreciates your donation.
Tartarus.
Wait, so each time
Nice.
someone dies, what happens?
Yeah. More pips, I guess.
Oh, he got pipped?
Bubble.
Oh, he stole the pips
Bubble.
that you had, or what? Wait.
I
I
didn't have
don't know,
no
really.
pips.
Oh,
I'm fucking dead. I'm fucking.
GG.
See y'all later.
Wait,
See
Hades' she gets triggered when a pet heals you. Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
Very strange. Okay, we're all dead. Funny.
Donate power to whoever casted the defeating spell. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Zeus sends his regards from Tartarus. If Zeus is dead. Okay, whoa. This is.
Anyways.
It's the battle bus! Sorry, I'm sorry. Look at now. Junction recall will close it. I'm good to leave.
We can do it again.
I don't know about you guys, but
I don't know about you guys, but
Oh,
it's be a
going off.
waste of time.
I don't know about you guys,
It was funny though.
but we could use a henchman. Yeah.
What?
What kind of henchman are you fucking?
All right, I'm going in this place with Wolf Froststone, a Grandmaster Gardener. Wish me luck, guys.
Oh, the vault. Okay. I was like, what are you talking about?
Wish me luck,
What are you
guys.
doing? You're busy. You got this.
Yeah, there's so many dungeons which are like, oh, you're busy. Your friend's busy, actually. This one was the most annoying area. This was the part of the game where I realized my Storm Wizard couldn't go any further without extreme RNG.
That time,
My
well,
Storm Wizard,
I
sorry.
leveled up
Yeah.
a storm wizard to like to level to Celestia actually, and then I realized, oh, I can't solo these fucking bosses anymore.
Yeah. I mean, Celestia was easier, I think, in my opinion, from my side.
Did you solo it as Storm?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
hmm Yeah,
Next time I couldn't do.
my Storm, I think, is in Azteca. I soloed all the way through Zafaria through Avalon. But Azteca was depressing. I mean, Azteca is just always depressing. That's the point where I normally quit when I level a new character. Just because, like, dude, I hate Azteca so much. It's got such a good vibe of a world, and then all of a sudden it's just like, oh, yeah.
I'm gonna check my bank real quick. I want to see if I have any other mounts.
Time to check your hood. I mean, what do you got
My-
here?
It's this is like just this little storage area I have.
Oh, okay. Wow, no
It's not that-
teleporters.
No teleporters.
What's a teleporter, and why is it, like, sound cool?
Because I
What?
made this like right before fucking I had access to the teleporter.
All I see is boxes.
Ah, gotcha.
Well, that's the same thing for me. So the same thing. Ain't nothing different.
What the fuck
I got
is
a balance
top man
whirlwind.
on YouTube?
Got the crystal mount.
YouTube is so weird with streaming and stuff. You are standing in front of a Puyo like one. I don't know.
Oh, this is my life mastery amulet. Let's go. Found it.
Miss Volpe, new shit? Wait, 2 minutes? Wait, what about 2 minutes? 2 minutes of what? Oxford,
Oh.
there's no way that there's 2 minutes. 2 entire minutes. Okay, this guy does damage. Wait.
Oh, you didn't see the amount of the crazy amount of music scrolls on the floor over here?
Oh, I need to relearn the
Wait, this
myth.
guy's
myth
50%
wall.
damage? What level is he? 41?
The myth what?
I need to learn the myth spells.
I'm letting this guy carry me, and I'm so happy.
I want to carry you.
Oh, Helldivers! Oh, yeah, Gecko, you're so right. I'm so dumb. Ba-da-da-dum.
What happened?
Spotify listen.
What is this?
It's already 9? Oh my gosh, wow. Night in the life.
It's like 6 o'clock for us. Smile.
Smile.
Oh, West Coasters, both of y'all?
True.
Bad luck.
Mhm.
Get to, oh yeah. Run to ferry, going to like a fairies. There is no time to. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh,
We're like listening to the same time.
I just teleported out.
What?
Well, guys, back to business.
What?
My mute button is a teleport to home button.
Oh my god.
Oh my. Wow, inting.
Where are the keybinds? Where can I get rid of that? I can't. No.
Oh my god.
Hey guys, you want to help me out with this this dungeon?
Sure,
Sure.
we can do it together.
I really hope that on the last
Cool.
floor it summoned an extra enemy and that guy has to deal with it because I my fucking mistake.
Oh my god.
I hope. It makes me really proud to know that I contributed to this person's like enjoyment of the game, honestly. Listen, I made things more
Okay.
spicy than they're used to. Ooh,
Oh, yeah, you-
Fuck where I am.
all right,
You also
guys.
need to
let's do this.
find
Oh,
that.
I got
my-
dragged.
Good job. Yeah, I'll help you.
Oh, you're gonna help me? Let's go.
Here, I'll help you.
Oh shit.
Oh, literally can't do shit until he fucking gets in.
Don't worry, guys. I'll help.
I'll help you. Here.
You can trust me. I'm really helpful. Okay. Oh, perfect.
There,
Perfect.
you can do
Excellent.
damage, right? You
Yeah,
can do
there we go.
damage,
We
right?
got this.
Yeah. And he immediately goes away.
157, 58. Fuck! I was close. I was so close. I was so close. Numbers are
So
close.
close. Oh my goodness.
Sorry, I sweared way too loud there. My apologies.
Team denied.
Oh,
Good
here, I'll
night.
help.
Oh shit! I have like working like 4 hours.
4 hours? Have you slept yet?
Leave.
What sleepy?
Oh my god. You need to
Shut up.
sleep.
You need to go to sleep.
You too fee.
I have my work at 9 p.m.
He's got until like what, noon, bro.
You're gonna sleep on the rest of the day.
I literally that's the guy you fucking left. Look at him. He turned around.
Content. Drama.
He's like, wait a minute. He's like,
You left me for these bitches? How dare you?
Yeah, I left him for like the carry, honestly. Bro just wasn't carrying hard enough.
Did he even finish? That looked
Yeah,
a
he
little
did, he
bit too
did.
quick.
He walked
Okay.
out. We were on the last floor. He just needed to kill the last boss.
Poor boy was a balance wizard though.
Yeah, but he has 50 damage, so
Oh well. I actually closed the game.
Oh, look who cast a Deer Knight. Who cast a Deer Knight? Hello?
Y'all got this, right? You're good.
yeah. Yeah, I don't know if we're
I'm
gonna
here.
win, but like, you know, like it's fine.
I'm here.
How
Don't
did
worry
that
about it.
happen?
That's
I
crazy.
I literally bit him by. I forgot I minimized the screen. Oh hey, did y'all know it's Dalia Falmea's birthday bash today?
Yeah, I saw.
Oh, is it Delia Falmea's birthday bash? That's so real.
Yeah, and Lost Pages. Oh my god.
Oh
Wait,
my
we
god,
all
the
lost
Lost Pages
pages.
event?
Yeah,
Oh my
The
god, Doctor Who?
event? Who?
Dr. Dunhood. And Wizard 101 coming to consoles
Bro, who cares?
soonish.
Like what? On Switch?
If I could
It's
play
never
Wizard
gonna come
101 on
to
my
Switch.
Switch, I would actually like explode.
You'd explode? Well, then we can't let you
But-
play it on Switch.
Oh,
Imagine your
I
console allows
wanna-
you to play on the account that already existed, though. That's probably not real.
That's not.
You'll probably have to make a new character, yeah.
Because
rebuy the areas and membership and-
apparently
Oh shit.
the difference between Steam and regular Wizard 101 is too powerful for them, I guess.
I just drew into all of my enhancement. That's funny.
All of your enhancement
Mm.
and no power pip. Cringe.
No, yeah, true.
Cringe.
How do you have the problem with power pips?
I'm like 88%.
What am I at? Mo, I'm at 101.
Wow, you overcapped yourself.
No.
I don't
Listen,
know
okay?
what-
They're going for that
what is
1%
that?
double pip, all right? It's like a Tim
The
Hortons
fu-
special, okay?
A double.
Yeah,
The two in one.
double.
Double spread only.
By the way, I was gonna say something when I went to go get water earlier, but like as soon as I start
Mother.
talking to people when I'm streaming, my voice like absolutely falls into like despair.
What if I
Why?
transformed into a gobbler?
Ew.
That sounds like a perfect idea. Actually, can you transform into like
I
into like a
could
cat
transform
bandit?
into a ninja
Can you
pig.
turn into a cat bandit real quick?
Excuse me?
A cat bandit.
Oh,
I love it.
I thought it was just you poorly saying cabinet.
Can you transform into a cabinet, please? Actually,
I was
yeah,
like,
that's
okay.
when you wish for
I
from
was
you.
like,
Okay.
that's
From
kind
IKEA.
of crazy, but okay.
Can you transform to an IKEA cabinet? Thank you.
Can you transform into a convertible? Let's
pull
go!
I pull up.
I do have a convertible car.
Damn. Okay, Mr. Fancy.
What, Gecko? Goodbye, Foxworth. Good luck with your
What do you mean?
hell
fancy?
divers.
Bird was not fancy.
I don't think so.
I have a Subaru Impreza, if that is like fancy.
Subaru from ReZero.
Yeah, Subaru. Oh my god, I love Subaru.
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 Where's that freaking pigsy thing?
Can you tap into a dog and sleep on your bed? Gecko, absolutely you can. You are completely permitted to do that.
I want to do that.
P, you want to do
I
that?
want to sleep on someone's bed.
At the foot of the bed or
Oh my God.
something?
Yeah, I want to be a dog.
Oh
God.
my god, yo.
God,
That's
your
so real.
dog.
I want to sleep on the floor.
Oh, okay. That's dirty.
No, it's
Mm.
not.
That floor is dirty.
What?
I wouldn't allow you to.
Mm,
I love the floor. It's so puppy.
Oh, you have a carpet, huh?
Yeah, I have a really nice carpet. But I love like hard tile and hardwood. Those are really nice to like lay my back against because it's just like, oh my gosh, I can actually flatten out and not feel like a source of like existence of scoliosis and shit.
You are scoliosis.
Oh my god, thank you. Thank you for making me feel visible.
You're welcome. I'm looking through these fucking packs. I'm trying to freaking find one. Where
Which
is it?
one? For what?
I love these little walking emotes. I love them. I
The
love the
Pigsy one.
Gecko, I love the like
The
chewing emote if you have that one. The little like Yes! Oh my gosh. It makes me so
Look over
happy.
here.
I'm looking this up.
The little heart chewing on it. Ah.
Yeah, I'm so sad. How am I not hitting the 88%? Like 12% missing.
Honestly, I think it's like
I think it's better than just one. I think you gotta have that 101. To be honest.
yeah, honestly, the 101 seems better than the
guarantee.
88. I guarantee if you have 101, you'll always have like every pip, alright? Trust me. In fact, you actually might become a pip. You might transform into a pip. Pip TF.
Transforming into Pip. Let's go.
Bro, that's what pip conversion is, right?
I suppose our security isn't as foolproof as we once thought. Go tell Edric Scatterglow that you found the charger.
I never know the concept of pip conversion. The white to the yellow. Whatever it was.
The white to the yeah.
Oh. Not that.
Lance would be
Hello.
very interested. Gecko would too. Oh, we're going to the past. Guys. Oh my
The
gosh.
past. The past.
Sentient pest. What?
We're traveling to the past.
Don't forget your
Again,
stone
Oh, not
rose.
yet.
again.
Wait,
I
not
thought you
yet, is
said
it?
fucking pest. Okay.
Never mind. It's later. I have to fix the time crystal.
All colliding together.
I'll be live at this hour. This is my normal time, Rusty.
That's what I said
Like
last
I've been
time.
streaming at weird times recently, and that's actually crazy. All right, going back in. I'm going back in. Let's go. Let's go. Everyone, queue up, queue up, queue up. Let's go.
Huh?
Queue up 4 seconds.
Huh?
No, I give you 10 seconds. All right, queue up, queue up.
Oh shit. I
Excuse
went
me?
in without you.
I don't know what's going on. Yeah, I don't know. You guys. What?
It's in the vault.
Default, 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 default.
The vault.
The baby. Sorry.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's
Back to-
go.
What in the?
All right. First things first, okay? There's something more important
Yeah,
to do.
stone
here.
rose.
Yeah, yeah.
What? The stone rose?
There we go. I got to
Okay.
catch up
I
on the
hope
stream.
you'll
It's
be
because
here.
I had to call in sick today. You called in sick, Rusty. Are you okay?
Damn.
Rusty,
Hey.
go. I need you to go do
What the hell?
Wordle right now.
Okay. If I can cure your disease.
Fuck being sick. I need you to do Wordle.
Yeah. You've been throwing up all morning? Perfect. That's perfect situation. Now you can do Wordle. And now you can throw up while doing Wordle.
Ew.
Is there an
That's
issue?
nasty.
with-
they made the Wisteria pack a Spellman pack, so it's no longer a fucking. Okay, this is cool. Actually, I'll
What
take
the
that.
fuck is a Spellements pack?
That's where you get spells from.
Yeah. So like you know how with the Deer Knight spell you have to like open the pack or craft it.
Yeah.
With Spellements, the Spellment packs you'll get a chance to get like a little bit of like
Progress towards the
yeah towards the spell, which I think is better to be honest, because I got my like pirates one faster that way.
Pirates? Oh my god, Pirates? Pirate 101?
Pirate 101?
101?
Are we playing Pirate 101 next?
Shit, I haven't played that game. Only Wizard 101.
After we beat Wizard 101, we're playing
Okay,
pirates.
we beat Wizard 101, we play Pirates. Got it. Okay, I understand.
Quote unquote.
I feel like by the
beat.
time we get there, they're gonna grade a whole new world at that point.
No, it's easy. We finished this in like less. Didn't like someone say they like beat the game in like a week? We can do that.
Oh dear God. Okay, I
I
guess.
mean, I am not scheduled for like a week next week, so I don't know. What to
I'm
tell you.
unemployed.
You're on vacation or what?
Scheduling problems on their
Oh, what the
part.
fuck? I
They
don't
hate
know.
giving you hours. Oh my gosh, that's so real.
No, they really want me to work there because I'm like One of the only good ones, apparently.
Oh, base. That's
Oh, back that
today, but I
creature.
still got it. Okay, let's see. Let's see. How many tries? How many tries? 3.
That's better than us. That's crazy.
Man, when should I go to sleep? Smile.
You should
Oh,
go to sleep
You should go to sleep right now.
Right, meow.
Meow meow.
I still didn't
I
get
have
a
a choice of a
Falcon.
Death
Oh,
Blade
here
or
you
a
go.
Dark Pact, but you're getting a Dark Pact, all right?
You gonna hurt yourself?
No, I have to.
What the hell?
It's for fee, okay? I'd play Valorant for fee, okay?
Oh,
I don't even
No,
play
that would
Valorant, but
be-
yeah, okay.
Yeah, but I would
Okay.
for you, okay? Yeah.
ooh woo.
Couldn't think of anything else besides that. Rusty, show the logs. Show your guesses.
What the? So aggressive for Wordle.
Listen, you don't understand this group chat. is
You don't
crazy.
understand this group chat, bro. This group chat is insane, alright?
Like literally all this group chat is Wordle.
Well, lucky for me, I'm not even in it. So smile.
It's a legacy group chat at this point.
The World group
Boundaries.
is crazy, guys. Oh, Rusty did it in the other group chat. Oh, just so you know, Fee, there's another group chat that has Levi, Soku, Jacob, Rusty, and myself.
Oh my god. The double
The
everywhere.
group chat.
Since I'm getting kicked out, guess I'm gonna go sleep.
Yeah,
now.
go Rez.
Okay,
Have an
good
amazing night.
Smile.
Enjoy yourself, Slade.
Smile.
Smile.
You have to choose
I'm
Sailor
actually
do
gonna
which
do
Wordle
some
in? Yeah, but you
Wisteria
can
polls
copy
right
the Wordle
now.
across them, Rusty. So all you have to do is you open the Wordle and you check your group stats, and it'll update your Wordle answers to the new group chat. But I'm telling you, the Wordle group chat, that's the better group chat, okay?
Okay, good night, guys.
Have an
Next
amazing
time,
night.
we
Rez,
blame a
let's
wizard.
Night.
Fucking, I'm dead.
Go to sleep, fool.
Slept.
How would you be? Damn.
I'll
You
go
said
sleep
if I go to sleep
in-
at 5, and now it's like 6.
Actually,
I'm
it's
going to be
9:16.
awake until 7 in the morning tomorrow. I get off at
Wow.
6.
You told
So
me, but you told me to go sleep at 5, like fucking 2-3 hours ago.
well, I'll go to sleep in a little bit.
Wow, a little bit? Wow, that's so real.
Yeah,
Little?
you know,
Yeah.
just a
A
little
A
bit.
little? You mean 2 hours from now?
No, I'll text you, and it'll be in like an hour. Trust
Itty
me.
bitty?
Okay.
Okay.
Text me
Alright,
when
I'm
I'm
at a
like
vault.
sleeping.
I don't think you can teleport
When
into
you're all
vaults.
asleep.
Okay. Good night.
Good night.
Wait, were you just listening to Fate? The hell?
Yeah, no, it's Fate. Unlimited Blade Works.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
wait, are you waiting for me? Give me a second.
Maybe. I wouldn't like be aggressive to you, but like yeah, maybe.
Get the fuck out of here. Wait, what was that program you used for the PNGs?
Ow.
For the PNGs? That
Yeah.
is reactive. Oh, like you?
Okay, that I was trying to find that.
No,
Like,
I
Fuji-
got you.
React is a
Fuji tag.
website.
Yeah,
Yeah, I know.
Here, let me like send it to you or something.
I already have it.
Yeah, but like let me send it to you anyways, because I'm fun.
Damn, you don't want.
Oh,
Thanks.
I can
You
take
guys
a
don't forget
picture.
it.
Take a picture.
Let me look at myself
Take a
in
picture.
stream. Oh, there we go. Now me.
Oh my god, Basic Death
We're
Weaver-
not winning. We're not. This fucker's dead.
No, he's got no chance. We can do this. Here.
This fucker's dead.
Okay, good luck.
Enjoy Slade.
Bye.
Ciao.
Tell me when you beat Malister today. Smile.
Today,
Today.
oh no.
Okay, bye. I mean, good morning. It's good
Bye.
morning now.
Enjoy. Wait, I need to open up the Dragonspire quest tree. Let's see how far we are.
No, you're not even not even close.
No. We got this. Like, where are we? Okay. I know there's only like
I'm not
90
even gonna
quests
see
here.
for the rest of it.
There's only
Also,
106 quests.
we didn't kill him, so let's go. Let's go.
Yeah. Talk Bolt of Fire forward into history. One good deed. This is one good deed. Okay, got it.
How far away?
We are 1/3.
Mm.
I
Insane.
am probably gonna go until the end of Drake Hatchery Part 1.
That's pretty far. to be
No, it's like
honest.
10 more quests.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because that way I'll be close enough to halfway that, like, if I decide to go extra long on a day, then, like, it's probably fine.
Also, I'm just gonna tell you this right now. I'm waiting until I get a Call of Cthulhu.
Oh, yeah, no
'Cause
worries.
that's the only spell I had other than that Deer Knight.
I am the bone of my sword. Dude, I just...
It's like, go to sleep.
What? Sleep? Oh, yeah, sleep.
It's like, go to sleep. You have 4 hours before work? Oh my god.
So we just need to get a death pip, right? Or a shadow pip? Yeah.
Yeah, I got one soon.
You got one soon? But you can time
Soonish.
them, yeah?
Yeah, we'll be here soon.
Yeah, at some point, you know?
You have another death prism, just in case.
Yeah. I only have
Yeah.
2 death prisms, so I have to find my death prism. I was
I
about to
think
put
this should
3
be
in.
good. Yeah, here we
Unlimited.
go.
Okay, but what if I just, like, use Deer Knight real quick?
Neither of us kill.
We have to flee to get more attack
Yeah,
spells.
because I have no reshuffle. No
Listen, don't worry. I'll reshuffle for you, okay? In my heart. Oh, nice crit.
Yeah.
Now you're gonna do like 2,000 damage. Okay,
That's
never mind.
6.
I guess resistance is only what, 80% or something?
I don't actually know the numbers, to be honest.
Oh my god, he gave us the portal stone. Now we can go to the Necropolis. Whoa! We did it. That's one portal stone.
You did it.
You did it.
Where's my freaking wallet?
Your wallet? What are you getting your wallet for? Are you about to start opening packs? Are you opening cases?
I want to get a spellman.
Oh my god, you're opening cases.
I'm not spending like a lot. I'm only spending
Yeah,
like 25.
tell me your limit. 25? Okay.
Just 25.
Yeah, okay.
Because I'm not.
Slade,
'cause I
go
wa-
to fucking bed.
Get out of here, Slade. I'm gonna send you bonk emotes until you go to sleep.
Foxworth, hello. Hello, Foxworth. Oh, a cantrip ritual. Oh, we don't have 3 people. I'm sorry. I haven't opened one of those yet, so. Hey, bye, bitches. Bye, cunt. Sorry. Is that too much? No. Sophie,
Get back. Get spammed. What?
how many opens have you done yet? How many crates?
Not. I haven't done anything yet.
Interesting.
What are you talking about? What are you?
Yo, what if I like stream the Discord and you like stream your screen and then like I get content for free?
Oh, you know what? You know what? You can. I'll give you that. You'll get your free content today.
Oh my gosh, wow. I love free content. Oh.
It's acting like I didn't put in the right password for my freaking account. This is stupid.
You didn't put the right password in. You actually changed your password.
Yeah, apparently
You
a
changed the
hacker came into
69
my
to a
account.
96.
No, but I love that one though.
You hold the portal stone against the giant.
Congratulations. With that portal stone, you can now go to the Grand Gate and into the Ring of Battle. Speed up the road to the necropolis.
Oh, hi. I'm back. Oh. Oh, sorry.
Shadow Wizard Money
Oh,
King.
Duke Knight's
He's so
back.
funny.
Oh. B, by the
What?
way, why is it that, like, everyone hates on you so hard everywhere now? Like, it's not.
What are you? What?
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 No, like, I feel like Duke Knight's a punching bag in every single stream I'm in. And I don't think it's even my
Really?
fault. Yeah.
That's crazy.
Not over here. Wait, where the fuck is the stone rose? Bob's over here.
Oh, I put in the wrong thing. I'm fucking stupid.
It is all your fault. It actually probably is my fault, but like, I didn't expect it to be that bad. Honestly, I deserve it probably. Okay, yeah, you do actually. You're right. You're so right, Duke Knight. You just says that punch. I feel so bad. I'm so sorry.
Mm. Is this what online bullying looks like?
Yeah, I think so. Why is it playing the end stream music? No, you're not allowed to. Why is it?
Guys, we're ending stream. Goodbye.
I was on the wrong playlist. Oh no, wait. Hey, Fee, are you ready for my least favorite dungeon in this game?
What? What is it?
This one.
Give me a second. Apparently, freaking, I hate those. I was putting in my card information, and then there was a captcha at the end, and then it fucking glitched out, and I can't put the captcha in anymore. It's stupid.
Oh my god, the Kasha. You guys like beating me, I guess. Oh my gosh, yes, that's so true tonight. Also, love Dark Song. Hello, how are you doing today? Yeah, Fee, maybe you should play some Valorant, just like your friends.
Play some Valorant. I've been wanting to, but whenever I tell Levi I want to play Valorant, he's like, no.
Oh, is it because he like repeat like grinded games or something to like Oblivion?
No, I think he's just telling me to not do it. To never get.
You know, if you ever want to play Valorant, you know, like hit me up. Let's get a crew together. I'll bring you to Jacob, Rusty, and my junk Valorant sessions.
Oh my god, Drunk Valorant sounds so amazing.
It actually is.
I'll be on par with you guys if you guys are drunk.
Oh my gosh, wow. Are you like calling yourself bad? Because like I think you're probably pretty good at Valorant.
Am bad. I haven't played in forever. And I wasn't even that good when I did play.
Shit.
Okay, I'm almost done, then I can come over. We can do your stuff.
The Lord of Death's razor. Does Death like shave? Is that what's going on here? Why'd you steal his razor? He can't shave anymore.
He's a hairy bitch.
Damn, you're right. You're right. Also, you know what's really funny about my wizard? I don't have a necklace on yet.
Really?
Yeah. My neck is barren.
You know what? That's crazy. Okay, I'm coming over. Fuck this shit.
Dude.
I'm doing it on the fucking thing.
Vampires are like, you know, free real estate or something. So the reason why I hate this dungeon is because it's 4 floors.
Can't handle 4 floors?
Well, my memory of this was when I was playing my first wizard when I was extremely young, like outrageously young, which was a death wizard. And this was before I knew what prisms were.
got all the way towards what? Dragon Spine without prisms.
I got to Safaria without prisms.
Oh, Paria without prisms.
Yeah,
That's a lot.
bro, the Lunarum. Dude, I was using lightning or storm magic on the bosses that were death bosses.
Oh my god.
Dude, it was bad. Liam Sandflower had a really bad experience. I quit and
Sandflower.
yeah, bro. I quit when I reached. Oh, fuck my inventory. Shit up. Eat these boots. Eat those. Yeah.
Just shoves boots down the pet's throat.
Bro, you
Crazy.
you do that as well, right? But yeah, do you want to know
for-
why I quit?
Yeah, why?
So, I'm going to tell you about one zone in Zafaria, and you'll agree with me why me not using death prisms would be a pretty bad idea.
Mm-hmm.
So you know Drum Jungle?
Yeah.
You know the last section before you get to the graveyard? That big clearing.
Yeah.
Those elephants?
You did all of that without
Yes,
prisms?
I didn't know what prisms were.
Oh my god.
Dude, I was like, what was that, 2010? Bro, I was 8, and I was playing RuneScape.
Damn.
Like, that's like super simple-minded, you know? Like, literally,
Yeah.
there were no thoughts going on in that mind. I was
Fucking love
forced
that.
to learn prisms because I was playing on, which wizard was it? My Storm Wizard, yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I literally had 2 decks on my Death Wizard. One was literally just only storm spells.
Only storm spells?
Yeah. And this
On your
keep,
death
yeah, and keep in mind, like, the highest storm spell I could get was Stormzilla. This is also before I knew what Mastery Amulets were as well.
Oh my god.
Yeah. So I kind of abused the fact of being a Death Wizard and having the all type traps and stuff.
Mm,
That's kind of how it was. Guys, hello, how are you
Yeah.
doing today? Welcome, welcome.
oh, I should have probably. You know what?
No, we
No, she's a
win.
life wizard.
Wait,
Right?
that's Sylvia,
Yeah.
right? That's Sylvia.
Yeah, that's Sylvia. She's a life wizard.
the life wizard Wraith. Yeah.
She's undead.
Oh my god, undead? That means she like didn't die or something.
She's fucking dead.
I thought she already died though, right? Didn't she like
Yes.
get
She
poisoned or something?
died. No, she died, and then she has been like a ghost for like the entire game.
Oh yeah. Oh no, I remember. She died when the Elder Titan yeah, the Dragon Titan woke up.
Yeah.
So she died alongside everyone else and got their souls trapped in here because of the barrier, the bubble.
The bubble.
Bubble.
Oh yeah. I forgot about that. Shit. It's kind of depressing now that you look at all this place.
Yeah. Think about all the students who died. I think that's kind of funny because like kids probably like, you know, they probably deserved it, honestly.
One of those kids off Lava Lake.
True. I like guys got geckoed. I thought you guys want to know that. Oh, on level 42, I can unlock Wraith. What are you laughing? Bless. Duganite always has my back with pointing and laughing at people. You know what? Can we point and laugh at Duganite as well?
Points and laughs. Ha 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 ha.
Okay, Terrorwing Warlocks. I need to collect their textbooks. All right, these Warlocks are going down. How's the game treating it? It's going really well, Lombax. How are you doing? The hell, leave me alone? Okay, no worries. I got you. Probably. By the way, how's that 101 pip chance treating you?
A 101 pip chance. I mean, I'm getting that pip the entire time.
Hmm. No
The
missing.
only time, yeah. No, I'm no fizzles either because I got that mount that gives me 2% accuracy.
Oh shit. Wait. What's the mount called?
I think it's a crystal something. I'll check right now.
I can't see your mount over combat. What the hell?
Literally.
Even if it has stat bonuses, that's cringe.
Secret stat bonuses that you can't see.
Oh, okay.
It's called the Crystal Unicorn.
Oh my god, Crystal Unicorn? It's a unicorn? Wow. That's so progressive of you.
Yeah. You gotta be a progressive person.
Honestly.
I wish you could make a rainbow though. You can like dye this mount.
Oh, for real?
Oh wait, yeah, you need this. Yeah, you can. I have it blue, but I originally had this on my storm because that 2% can go a long way
Yeah.
on a damn storm.
Damn. Alright. But, real question, alright?
Mm.
What's your opinion of Hui?
Hui?
Yeah.
A bitch to play against, but really fun for me to play
Oh my
as.
gosh, yes! Okay, I'm happy. I'm really happy. They're not that
I
much of a bitch
love-
to play against. Like, they're so cool to play against. It's just like, like
They-
Hui, the existence of Hui is just so fun.
Well, it's like in team fights, I'd say. Like in laning phase, I can deal with them. Like, but like you do not know what's going on in a team fight when Hui just puts down his like pool thing, like the stuff on the floor.
Oh my god, I love the floor stuff.
That floor stuff.
Hmm. Yeah, I played 2 games of League and I feel very bad about myself because I was sober.
As much as I like to be, a late gamer. Gotta stay sober, Wolpie. How could you? You broke your sobriety.
I broke my sobriety. I'm so bad. I'm so sad. No, I broke my sobriety playing with people who crashed out really hard in that game and blamed all of the issues on myself and my
Really?
lane part. We were a 5 sec as well, by the way.
Like, wait, they blamed it all on you guys on when you guys played those 2 games.
Yeah,
That's crazy.
it was pretty rough.
I can never play with people who crash out over a simple game of League of Legends.
Dude, like, bro, I'm gonna pull out the OPGG and you're gonna be like, oh my god, what are they doing? Dude. Like, I'm telling you, in one of those games, I had to, like, I was support, right? And bro's, like, keeps telling me this entire time, like, oh, this other person's new at the game. Like, you can't be, like, playing support. We have to put the newer people on support. I'm sitting here like, bro, like, isn't support, like, the hardest role to, like, play well?
You literally, it's support is not a game. Not
ADC is the, like, new player role, bro.
Literally, so support is, like, the one thing you want someone not to play because it's so pivotal for the whole
at a
game.
certain point I had to like basically swap to being the jungler because the jungler was the one crashing out and stuff. It's like yeah,
I feel like jungle would be easy.
It would be,
Kinda.
but like they're like, oh no, jungle, you need like someone who has presence and shit.
I guess, yeah. I mean, AEC is easy as well.
Yeah,
just
here,
gotta-
if you take a look at this, so you can like understand my depression, and check the damage numbers in those games as well. By the way,
I figure.
Why play game if you get upset? That's what I'm saying, Gecko. Like, aren't you like supposed to be enjoying yourself or something? Not like it's a job or anything, And also, I hate playing with people like that because I hate FF in games. Like,
Oh yeah.
it's suppressing to me. I don't know. I feel like you can get back from any game if you play
The
well.
ranked flex is crazy too.
Yeah. Well, I'm to be fair, like I'm diamond, solo, and flex, right?
Mm.
So I was also raising the ranks against these people, so they were playing against like high emerald, low diamond, I think. Probably.
4 and 11, 1 and 7, 1 and
We were
12.
against silvers, bro. Like what the fuck?
Wait, why is the NASA's bot line? What?
Yeah, isn't that funny? That's the person who was raging, by the way, about it being my fault.
Oh, okay. NASA's Nautilus bot lane against a Kaisa LeBlanc is
Yeah.
crazy.
But look at my mid lane though, like I don't know, like that seemed pretty fair. If you check, like I think it should tell you like the death charts, right?
Let me see here. Yeah. Yeah.
Here, let me
I think so.
pull up.
Maybe not. That's gold, OP, score, struggle, team analysis.
Timeline, here we are.
I mean, like he wasn't fed. He's 5 and 3. It's not like.
Ignore tower events. And then like, you know, like whenever there's an instance where like I was killed, like what's the word? Sorry. Whenever there's an instance where I was killed, like I tended to take one with me at least, you know?
Yeah.
But I did well in my lane, and it's just like it fell apart because like bottom lane was just like, oh yeah, you know, you have a LeBlanc who's like fed and stuff, you know, it's like, oh yeah.
That's crazy. I played against a LeBlanc support
Mm-hmm.
today as well. That shit was. She didn't do well, guaranteed. We stomped the shit out of her, but
Yeah. But like the second game is like me literally saying like, bro, get the fuck out of bottom lane. That's my lane. You put me in mid lane by default. Just put me in my lane, bro.
literally.
And yeah, they were just like crushing it the entire time about like, oh yeah.
412.
Wait for 18 hours on Monday. I'm so sorry, guys.
013. Oh my god.
Wait, who's 013 mid? Yeah. That was the new player that they were gonna put in support. So I guess it's fair, but like
Yeah.
damage wise, if you look at that last game, like, bruh, who had the presence in the game, you can really tell.
Yeah. But like clearly no one was helping him with his build either. Cause like what?
Wait, what did he even build?
he had a lost
Oh,
chapter, faded ashes, a needlessly large rod,
he had a
and
Shadow
full
Flame
built
burst.
Shadow Flame.
Oh, I see. Fuck, I have to find the collector. Guys, I'm so sorry about that long of work. I hope he gets some rest though. Oh wait, no, that was Monday. Okay, never mind. I'm like literally dumb. All right, where do you think the collector is?
The collector.
Hmm. I hate finding them. They're always just like wandering in some random place that doesn't make sense.
I literally don't know. Those guys are so annoying.
But yeah. I don't know. I had a good time myself, but then like yeah, they just kept like blaming shit. It's like
Yeah,
oh,
I
found the
can't. I
collector.
cannot deal with those.
Wiser and I'm older.
Okay, it's 6:42 a.m. Okay, I think I'm gonna do my packs and then
Go to
call it a
bed.
night.
Yeah,
Yep.
no worries. I'm just gonna like, you know.
If you want me to stream it, I can.
Oh my god, I'd love that from you or something.
Something.
Oh my gosh, I'll just like a full screen your stream or something.
So I hope that works.
Yeah, and I just go here to this window capture device. And then we change this to be Discord. And then I click this and full screen. There we go. Excellent. Now we can watch the Gamba.
Let's go. This is my life wizard who literally is level 72 without waterworks gears. Let's go.
72 without water. I'm so sorry.
I know. Anyways, we'll get her there. We'll get her.
Get her water works, bro.
47,000.
What are we opening?
We're opening Wisteria packs.
What's in
'cause
the
they
Wisteria
have-
pack?
So Wisteria packs, Spell Elemental, have a spell called Pigsy. This is a 2-pip hit, like heal all spell for life wizards.
Oh, interesting. So it's like Unicorn, but 2 pips.
Yeah, 2 pips, but it's like way better than Unicorn
Why?
because it does just flat more healing.
Yeah, but why did they
than
do that?
Unicorn. I don't know. It was because it made them a lot of money, honestly, when they came out. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Oh, that's fair. I mean, I guess they're trying to make money.
Yeah, game do be like that.
Nimont, hello, how are you?
Let's do 10 at a time. 'Cause they ain't gonna fucking.
So Supernova
Yeah, we got one.
Pigsy, okay. How
Yeah,
many do you need?
I need is. I'm gonna check that after this one. I get 2.
And you can buy 10 at
Um,
once?
Yeah,
That sounds like
10 packs at
that
once.
sounds like
yeah,
gambling.
It is. It is for a children's game. I can't believe this hasn't been flagged yet, but
No, CS:GO cases are more gamble, honestly, than this.
yeah, but this is actively advertising as a children's game. Wait, I accidentally closed out. Forgot about that.
Oh, minimize? Interesting. You'd minimize? You would?
Am I back?
Ninja piglets?
If I get the spell, I'll show you. But let me see.
So it's ninja pigs, but the kids.
Delivered. Thank you for shopping. Thank you. Let me see. So you go to no, here.
Yeah.
And then it is this one. So I need.
35
Okay,
to
it's not
unlock
that
it.
bad. Yeah, 75, 750, and then.
But you still need like more to upgrade it as well, right?
If you want to upgrade it, obviously.
Gotcha. And do those drop from any bosses or no?
I think they do. Maybe I looked it up and I don't remember.
Once you have it, does it drop though? Maybe that's it. Like, oh, you have to have it first, and then it
Maybe.
drops.
Who knows? I'm not sure, honestly.
Thanks for shouting out Niemond.
But let's see if we can get it, because I will be using this fucking character if we do get it.
Whoa.
Did not mean to go here. Oh, whatever. It's Wisteria.
Oh, this is a stream. 3 hours on the dot. Let's go. Yo, this is actually an incredibly strategic stream.
Strategic, guys.
Yeah, because my stream is literally gonna allow me to sleep and then wake up and then go bike down to the mall and meet up with my friend who's also probably gonna bike. If by my friend, I
Bike
mean Jacob.
gamers.
Yeah.
Let's
Like,
go.
why use a car when you can cycle somewhere?
Honestly, do that.
It's the bag,
Fuck buying
honestly.
gas.
True. And plus, like, plus exercise, right?
Yeah, get that leg exercise.
Literally.
I would do that, but like it's freaking hot up in here.
Yeah, it's
Also,
fine here as well, but like, it's funny.
California drivers, I do not trust them.
Oh yeah, no, this is something you do in Canada, bro.
I want to keep checking because I don't want to unnecessarily buy too many. I'm so close, just like a couple more. We have the angry snow pig.
Yo, we
see-
got Angry Snowpig, but you can trade the spellments between characters, right?
Yes, you can. You can.
So if you have like an
'Cause I
Ice
have
Wizard or something,
some-
you'll be like, oh yeah.
I have some spellements for like balance ones. Like I have a
Okay.
balance wizard that has a spellement. Wisteria. And then I'll show you the other life wizard spell they put in a fucking pack as well.
I bet. Let's go.
Because it's so stupid that they put that in there. It's a hit all life wizard
Pixie,
spell.
one more. Okay, one more. One more. Come on. Come on.
Ninja pigs.
Bro, they're edging
piglets,
us, dude.
Get out of here. Oh,
There we go.
okay,
Got
there
it.
we
Okay,
go.
we're
There we
good.
got it.
No more money.
Let's see.
Let's go. Spend.
There
Wait,
she is.
750 heal?
750. Yeah, for 2 pips. I told you this shit's broken. Shit's
It heals. What the hell?
it heals all.
Who invented that?
I'll show you right now. Let's go.
PvPers invent. So this is the one that people were talking about being like a Maycast Pixie from Kroger.
Literally, yeah. Pigsies. And then I might need like a spell to actually like
Kill something.
hit. Yeah. I need to like rework this life wizard like
I think you only need Pixie, right?
badly.
Or Imp, sorry.
Yeah, I'm only needing an imp.
Oh, the barriers go down in the new Unicorn Way.
Yeah.
As soon as they don't need to defend against lost souls roaming into Wizard City, even though they're all still here.
Literally.
I do find it annoying that spells that require a specific type of power pip don't count as a power pip. They can count as a power pip, but they
Yeah.
don't, you know?
Yeah. It's such a confusing system, to be honest.
Mhm.
Okay, this is what it looks like.
Listen, it's just Arch Mastery, bro. Quality of life, surely. Except it did increase the price of Deer Knight, didn't it?
Dear Knight? What do you mean?
No, it's always been 5 pips in a row, we're fine.
Yeah.
Why does that heal you?
It's a heal all spell.
But why does it heal you? Like, why does that animation equal
Yo,
heal?
I don't know. It's fucking pigs flying around, but it's apparently the best healing spell in the game, so
It's better than Bartleby.
it is.
What-
Because you could out heal Bartleby. It's crazy.
Teach me your ways? Toxic, what ways? What ways we talking? Oh my god. I'm pissed off
No.
at that, honestly. I
Here is the others. So this spell has. Do you see that little squirrel on the top?
yeah.
That is the Life Wizard 4 pip hit all spell.
4 pip hit all, bro. They don't need that.
Spin.
No,
I don't
no.
need
Forest
it.
Lord only.
I-
Forest Lord only.
I don't need it. I don't, but
Yeah,
it's such a
Force Lord only.
stupid. It's so stupid that they did not put that as an actual spell. That you have to wait until what level like 55 or 60 for stupid freaking 4 star. That's 7 pips.
Yeah, but it's now 48 now, right?
Is it 48 now?
Yeah, they changed it to 48 and made it the 7 pip spell, and then Bartleby 8 pip.
Oh yeah, they did do that.
They
but
also gave a
still,
debuff to Forest Lord as well. It used to be 720 to 790, I think.
I don't-
Or no, it was something to
know,
715 to something. 715,
I still-
775? I don't know.
I don't know, but I still fucking hate it. I still hate that they did that. But I got the cool fucking pig spell, so let's go.
Let's go. Chieftain
I don't
Smiley
know
Dick
what
is
to-
smiling
I-
today.
I don't know what to do with the 17k.
I just buy
but-
zones later. Use the crowns on Pirate 101. I don't know.
Yeah. Or I could get better. Yeah,
Dear
no, fuck
Knight.
you.
Oh, every time I'm not paying attention, someone says Dear Knight. I think people are talking shit about me. Wait, Dear Knight. Wait, Duke Knight. Oh, Duke Knight, Dear Knight. Oh,
Do night, do night.
yeah. But like, deer are really hot and stuff, and like they should make out and things, you know? Like,
Damn.
yeah. Wait, you
Wait, is
can
there
lock
spell
items in your
limit?
inventory, so you don't accidentally
Yeah?
sell them.
Yeah.
Wait, how do I do that?
Can you the little lock button on the bottom.
I don't have that yet.
You don't have that?
No, it's not unlocked yet.
The fuck?
I don't have Chat City on my Excel.
That's actually wait. I don't know why you can't do that. I don't know how to unlock it for
So
you.
we can
That's
make
kind
out.
of crazy.
I mean, I guess you can make, but like, don't you already have that?
Wait, is there Deer Knight spellments?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it is. Holy hell.
Why are there 3 versions? What?
There's stupid tears. I don't know. This
All right, the top one seems
these
useless.
these symbols do not mean anything to me. I don't know what this means. I don't know.
Okay, so the top one is more damage, right? The middle one is like
oh,
flat damage and does the like 20%. The bottom one is taunt.
no, this one's a select. It's a single target Deer Knight.
What? Why?
I don't know, but it's a single target Deer Knight that does 440 -20. That's kind of crazy. Why not keep the dot over time if you're just gonna make it single target? And
Okay, I think the top one is actually awful, but I think the top one is the best one.
to be honest, all these
Wait,
are
the bottom one's
awful.
PvP.
Why go for these? Oh,
The-
yeah, this one's the only one's PvP.
What's happening? Oh, don't worry. Foxers, I'm not looking at things. I'm literally looking for a raid target. Don't mind me.
Fools.
Who am I raiding today? Fuck. Who's on? Oh, Rogue's on. Okay, never mind. We're raiding Rogue. Good. Okay, perfect.
Every heart's desire. Okay, getting out of here. Getting.
So how is the stream today? Like, anyone who's like in chat and stuff, is the quality good? Because I have been multi-streaming this entire time.
Oh, you've been multi-streaming?
Yeah.
To what else? What else you stream to?
Streaming to YouTube. I'm gonna make a vertical view and stream to YouTube Shorts next time instead. I'm just doing this on
Okay.
YouTube mainly because I want to be able to moderate chat real quick. Just make sure I can moderate 2 chats at once. And then move it to
Mm.
Shorts when there's going to be actually more people tuning in and tuning out.
Oh, smart.
It's going here in the right place. Bless Gecko. Awesome. But yeah, no, I literally was reading through the terms of service for Twitch to make sure I was going through everything that was possible to do on Twitch.
Mm.
And the vibe of it is literally, as long as you have more, there are no features that you can only do on other websites. Twitch is the only one that is allowed to have exclusive features. Any feature that's on another site that is interactive for the user, they should be able to do on Twitch. So vibes wise, you know, you can't have a command that only works on YouTube. It has to also work on Twitch for the same people.
Mm.
And so on and so forth like that. It's, yeah.
Okay, that's crazy.
Well, yeah.
Well, I had fun, Volpe.
Thank you, Fee, for joining. I really appreciate
No
it.
problem. The next time you get on, we'll get you through Dragonspine and then get you those waterwork gear.
Oh yeah, if we want to get me to Waterworks fast, I'd have to like do Winter Tusk. That's probably.
Oh, you still haven't done
easier.
Winter Tusk, huh?
Yeah, I mean I'm level 40. I'd be like level 55 if I hadn't, or I had.
Okay. Okay, yeah, we'll get you through Winter Tusk as well. So
Oh yeah. Well, you enjoy yourself, Fee.
text the little group chat you made, and then I guess one of us will join you to help you.
Yeah,
You ever need
or I won't, and I'll just like solo it until like people join afterwards later on stuff.
Oh yeah, until we notice that you're live and you're playing. Was it 1-on-1? Yeah, okay.
Yeah. By the
Okay.
way, Fee, I'm DMing you real quick.
Nice. Oh my god.
There you go. Behind the scenes.
The behind the scenes.
Yeah.
I
All
don't.
right. Rest
Yeah.
well though, Fee. Good luck with work tomorrow.
I'll see you later. Good night. Good day.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah, and for everyone else here, thank you guys so much for coming by. Today we are going to be raiding into Rogue because we always love raiding into Rogue. We love Rogue. Rogue is fantastic. I'm gonna smooch them, okay? But yeah. Hang tight, everyone. Enjoy yourselves. And I should be back around tomorrow. I think I have something going on in the morning for like an exam or something, so I'll probably be around in the evening if I stream. If I don't, then I'll be around on the weekend. But yeah, everyone, stay safe, enjoy yourselves. Love y'all. Have a good night. Ciao, ciao.